Three, two, one. Basically, before we start, I wanted to salute you all, guys. Like, yes, because you guys are not going to get rich. You guys are going to get rich for sure. That's the word of me. If I'm saying it has to happen. I'm a god of market, brother. So let's not waste time. I think so. Yeah, every single thing is good. So let's start. Let's start the things. I'm minimizing. I'm actually new for using this kind of laptop because my laptop is like a very easy one. This is my sister laptop. I am a sister house. This is not my house, so that's the reason. That's the reason you won't be able to see like a glossy things. So basically, this is what we are going to do. This is the trading view. Okay, so this is a trading view. Before we start anything, okay, I wanted to make sure that you guys know what we are going to do. Okay, so first thing first, and yes, you are going. I don't look like this. I look so good. Like I look beautiful. Okay, I look literally like this. And right now I'm using my phone just to have the light, or else it looks worst. Okay, stick to this. I am just going to make it so short. All right. So a lot of things like you. First thing first, this is like how you can get rich for sure. The first thing first, business and trading. I don't think so in the world you can get rich doing job. Hold on, let me just also adjust this light over here. I personally don't think so that you can get rich to by doing job. Yes, you can get rich by doing, oh sorry, you can survive by doing job, but you can't get rich by doing job. Yes, this is Andrew Tate style. He teach me. Basically, this is what we are going to do. So the only two things we have is the business and the trading. Okay, so only and only trading. So to learn trading, it is very frustrating. First of all, I did it. I'm trading from past 6 years, from 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and now it's 25. You won't even believe. Okay, you won't even believe what happened. You don't give a fuck like what about me. You give a fuck like what you are going to get. Okay, you know what, I will just not talk about me. I just want you to get rich, because, and you will be think like, why in the world Uddesh is giving this for free? All right, why in the world Uddesh is giving this for free? Because there is a business right here. All right, there is a business behind this. To make you rich is how I'm going to get money. Yes, you want to like see. I am going to teach you every single thing which is going to you need to make money from trading. And if you make money from trading, then I will be making money from trading. All right, so this course is totally free. You don't need to pay anything. This is so extremely free. And I'm still learning English. Okay, so please accept my non-English thing. All right, so how, like, let me just be clear. Okay, how I'm going to make money from by giving this for free. So basically I'm going to teach you this every single thing, this six things you need. Okay, this six things you need to make money from trading, which I'm making also money from trading. You won't even believe, like, this thing is real. This thing is real. And brother, I was going to charge $1,000, which is like, sorry, not $1,000. I'm going to charge like $2,500, which is like almost 1 to 2 lakhs in INR. I was going to charge this. I did post my course on VOP. Like, I am going to charge this and this. Anyone interested? And guess what? No one fucking interested in this. No one wanted to pay someone who is doing nothing. Like, you can search me on Google, search who is Uddesh, and you will get who I am. But no one want to pay me. Alright? There is no trust. Alright, so that's the reason I am going to share this for free. Brother, you won't even believe. What is business behind it? I am going to teach you how to do trading, and literally your mind will blow. if this is the simplest, if this video is being watched by 5-year-old kid, the next day that 5-year-old kid can literally understand market and predict the not billion, trillion-dollar market and can easily can take the trade. That's my guarantee. All right. So if I'm speaking with a guarantee, trust me, this is for real. I can literally charge for this. But now in morning, I'm vlogging, brother. I'm having 1.2 million viewers on YouTube, and the video you're watching, that is my channel. Basically, I woke up in morning. I was like, brother, you know what? This thing is not working. Course selling is, I don't want to become a guy who just sell course. Fuck not, hell not. I want to become a trader, a real fucking trader. And how I'm like now, I'm in a way. I'm in a path of becoming a trader. Okay, but I want to help. I wanted to literally help people to join my community. Why? I said that is business, brother. I want people to join my community, and I wanted to help them. To help them, I wanted to make them rich. Why I wanted to make them rich? Because if I give, then I will get. Okay? Remember this. You have to give to get. And the more you give, the double you get, literally. And this is what I found. Who the fuck? Oh, my mom is calling. Hold on. Hello? हाँ बोल ना मम्मी. 199चं का? इंटरनेट बघतो एक मिनटं. 170चं मारायचं ना. 1 GB येतं पूर्ण महिन्यामध्ये. आणि हे येतं, एक मिनिट, रिचार्ज ना, मोबाईल रिचार्ज. मग तुझं पण एक्सपायर, माझं पण एक्सपायर झालेलं आहे. 199 ना. 2 GB टोटल, 2 GB येतं. हो, टोटल 2 GB येतं. तुझा आवाज कटतो मम्मी. हो का? फक्त काय म्हणली? ते का त्यांचं ॲप्लिकेशन असतं, ते डाउनलोड करायचं. ॲप्लिकेशन VI. तुझं नेट संपलं का? आता मग मी ना, तुला फक्त नेटच पाहिजे ना? तुला मेसेज आला असेल ना, पप्पांना विचार की. हां, कितीचं, मग मग ते कळेल. हो हो, चालेल, बाय. Holy shit, I'm literally taking my own calls in front of you guys. Oh my god, this is this is recording. Yeah, we are into it. We are into it. I'm also fitting in the camera. Holy shit, this thing right here. Oh no. That's why. Alright, so basically that's why I like to be my home. The setup is there. Alright, so where we were. I hate disturbance, okay? Where in the world we were. Yes, there is a business. I want people to watch this video, alright? And business, I'm literally saying this. I want people to watch this video, understand how to trade in the market, go and take the trades based on what I'm going to teach. And basically, if you take the trade based on what I'm going to teach, you will be having a 50% win rate. That means if you take 10 trades, you will be winning 5 of it, and you will be losing 5 of it. Alright? And that is how, and still you are going to make money. Alright? Every single thing I'm going to explain you. But here's a business. Once you started liking me, alright, because I help you to make money in the market, once you started liking me, then you're going to enter into my community. You're going to join into my community. And basically I literally upload video on the YouTube, that every single week I do analysis live on the YouTube and sharing my own trades, which doesn't have 50% win rate, which have almost 80 to 90 to 100% win rate. 100% means if I'm saying this thing, this market is going down and you can take the sell trade, literally in the next day that market go down and people make money a lot. In by myself also, I'm also making money in that. Basically this, and this is what I am going to share. And basically you will be start liking me, you will be having trust on me, you will be entering into my community, and that is the time where I will start charging you $49. Maybe I just come up with the number $49 per month for sharing my trade ideas to you. And basically you will trust me. This is a video which is going to create the trust. This is a video which is going to help you make money from the market. That money you make from the market, you can take that money and you can pay for my subscription, that is $49 per month, easy fuckingly. And you want to this thing, and that $49 per month subscription, you don't need that. Okay, it is just some of the people need guidance. Some of the people need guidance, like, oh, Uddesh taught me, that means Uddesh know more than me. Okay, what is Uddesh, what trades Uddesh is going to take. Yeah, my name is Uddesh. What trades Uddesh is going to take for next week, let me just check it. And to do that, I'm going to share you, like, that is what my business is. If I got, like, if this video is going to get 1000 views, the 10% conversion rate of that 1000 views is going to be 100 people. 100 people are going to join my community, and 100 people are going to start paying me $49 because they want guidance. Okay, they want my trades, and they know how to take the trades in the market, but they still need a guidance. Okay, they still need a guidance, a mentor, brother, mentor. They still need a guidance, and that is the time they will start paying me $49 per month. And that is how I'm going to make 4 lakh rupees per month by doing the things which I like. I just wanted to share the fucking 4 trades a week. That is how. And I just take 10%. If you guys like, this is what my main goal is, to make money from the subscription for the people who want my trades. You don't need, I'm saying you don't need that. Alright, you fucking don't need that. But I'm saying, do not buy that. Okay, do not buy that $49 subscription. You don't need that. But still, if I'm saying, and still if you want my guidance, that right there is my business. Just join my community, pay me $49 and get my almost 90 to 100% win rate trades, which I'm predicting market every single month. You'll be like, brother, wait. Do you have any proof? Yes, I have proof. I am going live on YouTube from past 5 months, and I'm predicting the market to the T with 80 to 90 to 100% win rate from past 5 months. You will be like, oh really? That is how, and this is exact strategy which I'm using to make money from the market. And guess what? Yes, I'm not millionaire. I'm not millionaire right now. I just wanted to clear every single thing. I'm not a millionaire, but yes, I'm going to become millionaire for sure within 1 year. But I can certainly guarantee within 2 months I'm going to get financial free. That is very much different from getting financial free to the wealthy to become the millionaire. If you become millionaire and if your expenses is like a 2 millions, you are not fucking financial free. Guess what? You are fucking broke. That's the reason. Within 2 months, I'm giving maximum. Within almost 1 to 1.5 months, I'm going to become financial free for sure, and I'm going to give you exact step to become. You can to become the exact step. Not you can. Sorry. Not you can. You will become the financial free for sure. This is the Uddesh words. If I'm saying, that has to happen. Okay, and basically this is it. So let's start. Alright, so basically, let's not go, this is what you need to know to make money from the market. Alright, so let me just clear every single fucking questions of you all. Do you need a laptop? Hell fucking not. You don't need laptop. Do you need to talk with customers? Hell fucking not. Trading is a game where you don't need to talk with the customers. You just need to talk with yourself. And that feels weird. I accept it fucking. So how you can get oh yes. Also the third question. Do you need a like you will be asking it, man, yeah, you are true. But guess what? I just have 50 $60, which is equivalent to 5,000 6,000 INR. You'll be like, man, like I just have this and you're speaking good. I trust you, brother, but like, can I make money from that 50 $60 in the market? And the answer is fucking no. You, I just can't stress. I just can't stress out, man. Like, you can't make money from that small dollar. All right. So, but wait, there is more. There is more. So this is right here is your money. Okay. Let me tell you, $50, $50. All right. Where the fuck the hell sign is? Yeah, $50. I'm sorry for my good language. It is what it is. Understand, accept. If you want to make rich, you have to use the rich language. All right. So $50 is not going to make you rich for sure. Okay. If you invest exactly that this $50 into the market. All right. This is your own money. You should not risk your own money. Okay. You should not invest your own money into market. You will be like, whoa, wait. Trading is an investment game, and if I don't invest my money, then how I'm going to make money? He'll be like, fuck. Like, see, there are companies. Okay, there are companies in the market. Okay? If I just told you, funded next. All right, so let me just clear. I am not affiliate of anything. You just go and search on Google. Like, this is the prop trading. Okay, this is what we are going to do, and this is how you're going to make rich. You are going to get rich. I'm saying now, I said in first, you are going to get rich for sure. All right, so this is the basically this is this what we are going to do. All right, so I just click on it and just still loading. What the oh my god, like what the heck is happening? Holy shit, this thing stuck. Yeah, so basically you are going to go in a stellar light instant. All right, this is I am sorry, not stellar light. This is stellar light. This is instant. You should avoid this. You should go on light. This is how you're going to make money. All right, so this is how $32, I mean $33, that's 0.99. Remember, $33. For $33, I'm literally giving you how you're going to make money from the market. Not small dollar, $1 $2. No, you're going to make money into market for sure. Take my words. Stick to here. Do not close this video, because this is the part where you have to understand that why you wanted to learn trading at the first point, because you wanted to get rich. But how every single thing should be clear, right? So $33, okay, $33 in INR. All right, search in Google. That's it, 3,000 rupees, man. 3,000. Just if you don't have 3,000, go and work for do something, man. Go out and sell. I will charge you 100 rupees, and I will charge you 100 rupees or $1, and I will help you. Please pay me. I'm looking for making money right now. For like, I'm making money. I wanted to make money like 2,500. This 2,000. I'm literally saying from the bottom of my heart, this $2,000. 2,000 rupees. That means $33 is going to change your life. And guess what? How? I'm telling you. So you are going to buy this. I'm again saying, this is not my company. I'm not attached to this company. I'm using this company. I have this amount of money from this company. Yeah, trust me, you're in the right hand. All right. So this is a $5,000. You are literally giving you are giving $33 to get $5,000 account. All right, you getting this. These are the big companies in the foreign. They are literally paying the traders who can prove that they can make money in the market. So you will be getting, this is not a real amount, okay, just to make sure you are getting this demo amount, and this demo amount you have to increase this demo amount 8%. All right, this is the exam. First exam, you have to increase the this $5,000 to the 8%, which is how much? which is $400 maybe. I need to check. Oh, there was a drop down here. $500, right? And 4%, right? So basically, I I need to check, like 1% of $5,000 is equals to 50. So 5 8 1 8 2 6 8 4 8 5 are 40. 4, yeah, 400. $400 you have to increase. Just don't go on dollar. Just focus on percent. You have to increase 8%. All right, and the next thing you have to increase the 4%. Once you do this, you will be getting this number of account, $5,000, and you have to, and that is how you're going to make money. And like this strategy is going to use, if you use this strategy, you can literally pass this exam. You will literally get this $5,000 amount, and you can make money on it. So this is, again, after you pass the amount, this is not the real amount, is not going to get transferred to you for sure. Just open your mind, brother. This is not how it works. This is, you will be again getting the another demo account. After you pass this exam, you will be getting the another demo account. That account is connected to the firm's, this funded next firm bigger account. So you just providing the signal to them. Okay, you're just taking the trades on your account, and that trades are getting copied into their big account. And how that is how it works. I need to drink water. Hold on, man. It's talking a lot. I just wanted to make this so quick. Where is my rumal? Oh shit. I'm using this old school method. Alright guys, so there is so heatness here. Let me just open the fucking. Alright. So after you make 10, like after after you pass this account, alright, after you pass this $5,000, if you are a trader, if you know how to take the trade, if you learn this strategy to the perfection, you will literally pass this account. That is my word. Okay, if you pass this account, and you will after passing this account, after 1 to 2 months, or within 1 month, you will make 10%. 10% of $5,000 is equals to $500. Is it? Let me check, brother. $5,000 ka that not 10% of. See, this video is not scripted. You can literally see. Yeah, that right there is 500 USD. So after that first withdrawal of 500 USD, you going to purchase the next bigger account, which is this, which is what I am doing right now. You will be literally purchasing. You just don't need big money, brother. You're going to purchase the $400 account, which is equivalent to $100,000. Okay. See, this is getting big. Now this is how you're going to make money, man, and this is what you can do. And I'm doing this. All right. I was on to this point. You will be, yes. I was about to say, like, you will be like, oh yes, this, you know every single thing. Are you rich? Are you like, no? I'm saying no. I'm literally saying, like, no, I'm not rich right now, but I am going to reach for sure, because I have $5,000. This account, I have passed this exam because I know how to take the trades, how I know how to do trading, and I'm going to share you exact same thing completely for free. I don't know, maybe some of the people are going to download this video and going to charge. I'm going to sell this video for $1,000 and $2,000. Maybe this could happen, but I just wanted to give it for free. I have passed this $5,000. This one, like, I have passed this and take the 2 payouts. I can consistently make 1 to 5% a month. I took the 2 payouts, and basically right now I'm also into this. I have passed this first exam passed. The next exam I have already passed 50% of it. I just wanted to make 4%. I have cleared 2% of it. I just wanted to make 2%, and voila, I will be getting $100,000 account. Imagine making, let's not take about 10%, let's not take about 5%, let's not take about 4%, let's take about only and only 1%. And guess what, 1% of $1,000 is equals to $1,000 and $1,000 in India is 83 to 89,000 INR. Let me check the current rate. $1,000, oops, dollars in INR, which is equivalent to 88,000. You believe by using this exact this mouse gets stuck. By using the exact same strategy, you can literally make 6.2% per month. Alright, I'm going to share you exact same thing. I am saying your success is going to make me rich. So I want you to get success. This is a business. Alright? And people, just brother, make this thing possible. If you wanted to get rich, this is the only thing you need. Alright, and after you make that one, just do not spend, okay? I'm saying do not spend that 88,000 INR, which is equivalent to $1,000. Purchase this. Alright, purchase this next account, and do not purchase, oh yeah, you just can purchase, oh shit, like why this stuck it? Purchase this one account. Oh shit, this got stuck, man. What the okay, calm down with this. Calm down. Yeah, this thing works. So purchase this account, which is required $798, which is $200,000. So imagine if you pass this $200,000 and already you have $1,000. Oh sorry, not 1,000, $100,000. That is equivalent to $300,000 funding. The company is funding this much amount to you, making oh my god, making 1% of it, you will literally make $3,000. $3,000 make for sure. I mean, I'm saying it is 95.87% sure that you can make 1% minimum per month. You, by using this strategy, you can make 6.2% per month easily. But let's not talk about that big number, 6 point. Let's talk about the baseline, the minimum, the baseline, because you're a beginner, brother. You can literally make that 1% for sure. And imagine, this is only company. This is the only one company we are considering. Imagine, now this company is just funding $300,000 maximum for one trader. Imagine you get such kind of 10, 20, 30 different companies. Voila, you see how you can get rich. Now you understand why you wanted to learn trading. Yes, brother, let's do calculation. Let's fucking do calculations. So now this is only one company which is going to pay us 300k if we get funded using this company, $300,000. Alright, so let's go over here and notepad. Shit. Notepad. Alright, the basic version of text. Alright, so first, oh shit, like why? First company, let's not type. Let's type. Oh no. Let's use brain. Company is equals to funding. Alright, I'm saying I'm not affiliate. If you literally purchase the account from that company, I'm not even getting any kind of dime, any kind of dollar. So I just wanted to help you to get rich. If you get rich, you can afford my subscription. Alright, that is what I want. One company we are getting $300,000. So imagine if we get, let's say, so that is the baseline. Okay, baseline. Alright, so imagine if we have 10 companies, easy fuckingly we can get 10 companies for sure. That is my basic goal. 10 companies is equals to 300,000 multiplied by 10. Sorry, I hate this laptop. 300,000 multiplied by 10. I know it's 30 lakhs, but still I don't want to risk my thing. I am very much poor in the maths. I use calculator as my best friend. 300 300k multiply by how much? 10. Holy shit, like why in the world you give this? I don't want square root. 300. 1 2 3. That is the 30 lakhs. Let me check. I'm you will be like shocked, like see, 30, 300, 3,000, 30,000, 3 lakh, 30 lakh. That's it. I am so poor in mathematics, but still I'm making money. You don't need anything, brother. You just need this system. This system works. Okay. That right there is the 30 lakh. 30 lakh is equal to 3 million. Is equals to 3 million. Alright, which is equals to 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs. Okay. Just imagine now what we were talking about 1%. Alright, so 30 lakh. Oh, gee. 30 lakh. 30 LKH is equals to 1% is equals to how much? Again, come on. Come on, man. Don't use a brain. 30 lakh. Oh, 30. Alright, so 30, 300, 3,000, 30,000, 3 lakh, 30 lakh ka 1%. How much? Oh shit. Let's see the number. You need 10, 100,000, 10,000. That is 30,000. You believe? Do you believe? Do you believe this? 30, 1, 2, 3. $30,000. And here we go. $30,000 within month. And we're just talking about the 10 companies. Imagine you have 100 companies. Imagine you have 1,000 companies. You start liking me, isn't it? You started liking me. I believe you started fucking liking me. And I'm going to share you the exact thing how you can make it. Man, I'm just, oh my god. Should I charge for this? I'm still thinking on this. Should I close this video? Man, I'm literally like 30,000. Now, if Indians are here, brother, I respect you. 30, 1, 2, 3. $30,000 in INR. That's set. It is equals to unit, where is the mouse is? Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 26 lakhs. Brother, 26 lakhs per month for just clicking a fucking button and putting your just 1 to 2 hours, not per day, every single week. That is only it. In whole week you just have to put only 1 to 2 hours, and if you go maximum you just have to put 3 hours per week, not per day, per week. I'm talking about per week. Why in the world this voice is coming? I hate disturbance. I hate disturbance. And right now, guess what? Guess fucking what? I am. This is you know what? This is my step. You know, like step 2 or step 3. All right, step 2 or step 3. All right. This is how I consider step 2 or step 3. My step 1, my step, there are steps for me, like this is how I consider my success. My step 1 is equals to $1 million. All right, so $1 million I wanted to get funded. The companies, if companies is paying you for taking the trades on company's account, that means you are a funded trader. What is the meaning of funded trader? If company is paying you for taking the trades on the company's account, that means company have funded you. That is what is equals to funded trader. You can call yourself as a funded trader. Company have paid me $5,000 account. I call myself as a funded trader, and I'm going to become 6-figure funded trader within 15 to 20 days for sure. If I'm saying this, that has to be true. That has to be true. 1 million, this is my step 1. 1 million account. All right, so 1 million account. This is, I'm making 1% of it, which is equivalent to $10,000, which is equivalent to 8 lakhs INR per month. For this is This is the fucking minimum I'm talking about. We can make 6. Holy shit. Am I going to die, man? Am I going to die? This is how you are going to get rich. Now you trust me. Now you like me. Now it's my time to prove you the things. Right now, this my step one is this. Okay, this is what my step one is making, like, getting funded 1 million. So how you can get funded with the 1 million? Just take the three companies funding me $300,000. So 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Sorry, four companies. 3 4s are 12. If 4 companies are, each of the company is paying me $300,000, $300,000, and this also company paying me $300,000. So $300,000 multiplied by 4 is equals to $1.2 million, making only and only 1% on that $1.2 million is equals to $12,000, and $12,000 is equals to more than 8 lakhs INR for just clicking fucking button. I mean, this course people literally charge almost of, you believe, almost 3 4 5 grand, 3 4 5 thousand dollars to learn this system. And even this system, I believe this system is, no one is talking, no one is teaching. I believe in this. Only one person I have learned from it, which is Alex Gonzalez. He have taught me. He literally changed my life, and I'm going to go and shake hand that guy. And now it's my time to change your life for free, brother, for free. You don't need my $49 subscription at the end of the course. All right, you just, if you need guidance, brother, that's your decision. That's, you can just go it. Okay. So right now, where I am at a step 0. All right. So I am funded of $5,000. Okay, that is, one company is funding me $5,000, $5K. I'm making like a 1 to I mean, I was about to make 7 to 10%. I literally make 14% this month, but on my funded account, that bullshit thing happened. The trade automatically got closed, and that's the reason, rather than making 10%, I just make 2%. Things happens. That's totally my mistake. I agree my mistake, because I slept, and that the trading cycle changes. That's why my funded account trades got closed. That's the reason. That's the reason. I mean, you will be like, what, you're talking about this? Let's not talk about that. Okay, I understand. You liking me now? I know you liking me. All right, so basically, yeah, I'm at step 0. So right now, my I'm making 1%, or 1 to 3% per month easily. Right now, I'm up about, within 1 week, I'm up about like 2.2%, and I'm just not making things. Every single thing is live, is not live, is recorded on my YouTube channel. Just go and watch. But if I want to make scam, why I will give this for free? Remember. And also remember, trading is the fucking scam industry. Please do not buy the course easy fuckingly. Okay, just search on Google. People are literally like charging for the course and literally giving nothing, just a random bullshit thing, just a YouTube thing, like train line, blah blah blah. No. I believe, like, I can literally guarantee that the things you're going to learn is going to blow your mind. All right, the things you haven't never ever saw in the market. All right, so I am at a step 0. I am at a step 0, yes. And my step 0.5 is not 1, 0.5 is having funded of 5,000 and also passing the $1 lakh challenge account. That means $1 lakh exam. That means for getting funded of $1 lakh. So is equals to making 1% of it is equals to 1,000 and 1,050, because 1% of $5,000 is equals to 50. So $1,050. This is the probability of making this much amount is the 87.22%. Brother, I'm talking about, you will get rich for sure. Alright, I need to drink for the Thamba Zara. Hold on, please. I'm a human. you'll be like, why you have logged into this incognito? Because this is not my laptop. My laptop literally got smoke up. I literally got burned, so my laptop is no more. And I literally don't have money. Like, I'm literally saying this. I literally don't have money to purchase a new laptop. That's the reality. Because now whatever I'm making, I'm just giving to my mom, dad, and basically now I'm literally, like, I feel like, why do I need laptop? I'm taking trades on my phone. I'm doing analysis on my phone. Why to invest that, like, almost 80 to 90,000 to purchase a laptop and do nothing on that? Like, why? So that's the reason I didn't. So let's just start with the. This is how the step zero over. Let me just close this video and turn it again. I just wanted to close this and avoid the risk of getting lost if anything happens. Hold on. Alright guys, so we are back again. So how to do this, man? This laptop is sucks. Alright, so we'll delete this. I hope you understand how you are going to get rich for sure. So here we cover this first point, how to get rich and wealthy. Brother, after you get rich, invest and invest and invest. Do not do expenses. That is how the percentage you are going to make after the investment, that percentage you can use, that a half of the percentage of the profit you can use for doing the things like a Lamborghini or something like that. But do not, I repeat, brother, do not do expenses after you make profit in trading. Okay, that is how broke people do. And I want you to become rich. I don't want you to become broke. Alright, so first thing first, let's start with the basics of market. Alright, so basics of market, this is a trading view. Just go and search trading view, and this is how you're going to get into this trading view thing. I will just close this, delete this, blah blah blah. So this is basic. I will just cover this because this is the thing which you don't need, and I want to make this quick as fast as possible because there is no because. Alright, so this is the playlist. Now check what the fuck it is called. List of the what it is, new list where we have, like, we added a lot of markets over here. Alright, most of people know. You can skip this, please skip this. Alright, never use dark mode, just use light mode, and this is going to kill my eyes. Oh, that saves me. I like the display of this. Okay, brother, I will just increase the brightness. The brightness is already off, already full. Alright, so we are going to do for basics for market. Before we go for basics of market, I need to tell you, like, how this platform works. So this is the euro. Like, here we just see what currency we are in, and what is, like, you will be like asked, what is the currency? The currency is basically the pairs, like the euro versus dollar. Like, there is a fight between this and see. Do not, like, hold on, man, hold on. What the? Hello? Hello? Hello, is there anyone on that side? Your voice is not audible. I'm cutting. What the fuck? Spam alert. What? I should not. I should literally not go pick this up. Alright, so yeah, I wanted to explain, like, how the platform works. And this Pooja is not a girl, of course not. I just give a random name just because of that. Alright, so this is the Euro USD, blah blah blah. Just understand, okay? Just do not think anything, okay? What is Euro USD? What is blah, blah, blah. You want to make money, you should make it fucking simple. So here we go. This is the people, okay? This is the currency. Understand? Currency means the different currencies, like INR, Indian rupees versus US dollar, in INR, USD, the same way Euro USD. Here you can see, actually here you must be able to see that thing right there is not enabled. So Euro versus dollar, GBP versus USD. This thing right there is just a name. At this like as a name, euro USD GBP USD USD JPY. This is just a currency's name. Okay, I need to finish this as fast as possible. So if you just click on euro USD, basically what trading means just predicting the market and saying this market is going to go up, and if you are buying over here, all right, if you're buying over here and the market gone up, you will literally make money. All right, the same and opposite way, if you say that the market is going to go down, and if you sell that market, that time if market literally goes down, you will make money, and that is how you will get rich for sure. So the opposite also, if you predict that this market is going to go up and you buy this trade, and if the market goes down, you will lose money. And guess what, people are not coming into trading because they are afraid of losing. I mean, oh shit, like I want to say this but I can't. I will just I will just not say. Will come on that losing and every single thing. You just can't lose money, okay? You just can't lose money. If you are a trader, brother, you will make money. You can't lose money. And I am here to make you a trader where you just can't lose money. All right. So basics of my platform. So this is the time frame: weekly, daily, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, and basically 5 minute and 1 minute, 1 minute and 5 minutes. Just go and just take the screenshot of this and just star. Okay, make the star 15 minute star 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 star. Basically do this. All right, you will see exactly over here. Then go over here, and this is the indicator tab. Just do not make it like this. If I say click on that, fucking click on that. Do not ask any fucking questions. You wanted to make rich, follow the one who is going to become rich. Just don't ask, oh my god, like what is the alert, what is the play, what is this, blah blah, what is this. No. If I'm saying this, focus on that. Every single thing is just a noise, it's just a disturbance. Okay, go over here, EMA. All right, so not EMO, EMA, moving average exponential. Go over here. This is just a cherry on top. This is not going to be the make and break. And just go over here and 50, make it 50. Do not ask the question why 50, because 50 works, 50 works, 50 done. Just do not ask me any question. 50, if I say to click on 50, 50. You wanted to make money, just stop asking questions. Bullshit question like why 50 on no. If I said 50, do fucking 50. Alright, because right now I have a lot of answers for this, but I really don't have time to explain it. Okay, so this is weekly, this is daily, this is 4 hours, this is 2 hours, this is 30 minutes, this is 15. Now every single time, this is a time frame. Okay, if you click on weekly, you will see these are the candles. Now, oh shit, like hi, what is happening? Oh my god, this thing right here, it should not pop up. Oh my, I hate this laptop. I literally hate this laptop. Oh shit, again. What I did wrong? I just scrolled down. Scrolling down is not allowed or what? Shit, that thing right there is going to make a lot worse. I'll just use the 2 hands which I was using earlier. Alright, so before we start, just go and click go over here on this and just click on this 3 dot, click on over settings. Okay, click on settings and go and change the color to blue. Alright, you have to do this. If you didn't, whatever I'm going to teach you, you just can't able to imagine. Do not put any random fucking colors. I'm saying these are the colors you want to do, because this is what I use, and you should be using. Alright, so oh wait, oh no, I don't want again my screen to get back. Alright, so yeah, we have set up the chart, we have set up the time frames. Alright, so also like go and add this exact things, you will be fine. Just find over here, go on this, click on this arrow, make this stars. Alright, so go and click on this arrow, there is nothing over here. Go and click on this arrow, there is nothing over here. Yeah, go and click on this arrow. Over here you will see rectangle, and over here you see path. That's pretty much right there is what you need. And also like go on this and click over here. This mouse is so weird. This go like make this task. Okay, that is what is going to shit. Like what I press, like why in the world this is getting. I need fucking mouse. Hold on, I need this mouse. Can I, like, how in the world I can use this mouse? Hold on. How in the world I want that mouse to get connected? This thing is so weird, man. Shit. Nano receiver inside. Hold on, man. Hold on. Oh, this thing works. Hold on, man. Holy shit, miss. I can able to see. Am I doing it right? Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing right there is going to make us so easy. I'm making it on. Ha. Jiva Jew. Now. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is like a touchscreen, but the looks like the button is kharab. Zoom in, zoom out. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Picasso, brother. Picasso. So I'm talking about this. Alright, so we have done this, so you want this to be get floated. Okay, once you start, this will be the thing. Alright, so this is how we are going to set up our chart. Okay, and now we are just closing right this. Click on this will close, and again click on this. We need this close. So right now we are going to focus on basics on market. Basics on market is equals to, this is a oh shit, this is so fast. So this is the candlestick. Okay, this is what it calls the candlestick. All right, so the blue color is the candlestick, and the black color over the candle, black color line, and the bottom black color line is called the wicks. Okay, remember, just take the fucking notes. If I'm saying this, it has to happen. This is the blue color. I say it is a body of the candle. This is the candle. This look like candle. Don't ask me question like why candle is called. This is the candle. Fucking just it is candle. Okay. All right. So this is the candle. This is the wick. The black line up and down is called wick. That is what it. That is basically, this moves up and down, and this candle's close. This candlestick close. That is equivalent to one wick candle. So you can see this right here. Okay, just focus here. The black thing, Monday 6 October 2025, exactly right here. This is showing that this candlestick started at Monday 6 October 2025, and if you just go ahead, like you just go ahead, that will see, like that will show you Monday 13 October 2025. Just remember, this candlestick started at the 6 October 2025 and end at 1 week. The next candle started at 13 October 2025. The next candle started at 20 October 2025. I'm seeing right here. Okay, just see here, 20 October 2025. This is what is the 1 week candle. Like from Monday to Friday, this candlestick is getting formed. Okay, from Monday to Friday. I'm getting die here, man. This there's no oxygen, man. I just opened the fucking door, like anything. So here we go. So every single candle is showing the price action. The trading happened from Monday to Friday. Every single. So now we go on a daily. Now the things change, brother. Now the things started changing. Now every single candle is showing the whole one day scenario. So this candle is showing the, like, just see over here. Just see on my mouse. This candle is showing on a Monday 27 October. This candlestick started at a Monday 27 October, and the whole candle is showing what happens in that particular day. How you know this is what we are seeing every single day? This is the D. D means daily. Every single daily there is a candle of the daily, and the candle forms. So the same for 4 hours, same for 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Now if we just click on 15 minutes, every single candlestick is the 15-minute time frame. So right now this candlestick is started at, just see downside the black line, black area over here. This we can see Tuesday 28 October 2025 and started at a 9:30, which is going, and if you just go on a next you can see 1945. So 1945, the next candle is going to start at 1945. You can see the timer over here, the current price over here. That's pretty much that right there is the basics of market. You just don't need to make it messy. fucking messy, brother. People are making it messy and doing losses, like, and they will be like, oh, why I'm doing loss, brother? You are making it fucking messy. This is the basic of market. That is right there is the candles, right? Okay, understand? And I want you to understand. If you get rich, brother, if you get rich, then I will get rich. Okay, this is like goes hand in hand. I want you to become rich, then I will become rich. I told my business plan. Alright, so this is basics of market. We have done it. We will be checking it. Do we have the check mark? We don't have check mark. We'll just give the smiley. So here we go. That's right. There is a mistake. So understanding the market structure. Alright, so this is fucking basic. This is so simple. Okay. So a market structure is a market structure. Okay. What it named is market structure. Market structure is the this is the simplest. Okay, I'm talking about this is the fucking simplest thing, but this is the most important thing. The like the language of human, they speak in English, Japanese, Marathi, Hindi, or French, Spanish. This is the language of the human, but what is the language of trading is the market structure. Market is like a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now you will be like, what the fuck you talking, brother? What the fuck is you talking? I will tell you. So market, just do this, okay? Right now, let's imagine this is the market, okay? This is the price action right now, and if we just go over here with current price, this is the higher high. All right. I will explain like what the fuck I'm talking about, right? What is the higher high? What is the higher low? Blah 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 blah. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. All right, higher low. You have to type this, okay? All right. So you will be like asked like why in the world this is the higher low? Like what happens? Okay. I will explain you more deep. Okay. There are three types of market, right? First is the bullish market, which is having the higher highs, higher lows. All right, this is the higher high and higher low. This is called the bull. I have selected the test. This is called the bullish. All right, BULLLI. I said bullish market. This note it, okay? If you're not noting it, you can't make money. It's a rule. This is the sideways market. All right, just doing nothing. All right, so price is actually not trending. This is going nowhere. It is actually like getting stuck in particular two different prices. Copy paste, control V, control C. This is the sideways market. You must avoid this market. Sideways market. Alright, brother, and this is the bearish market. Basically lower lows, lower highs, lower lower, lower high. And you will be like, what the fuck, lower lower, lower lower, and lower blah, blah, blah. I will tell you, just give me a second. What the fuck is bearish? Bearish market. So there are only three types of market. None of the market is different from that. Every single market has these three different types. Alright, we'll make it. We'll make it good. Ding, ding, ding. This becomes weird. Fuck. So this is the first market. This is the bullish market, which is creating the higher highs and higher lows. Just understand, okay, what is what calls. We'll understand how we can how we can define this. This is the sideways market. Basically, the price is in between range, and this is bearish market. Basically, market is going down. Bullish means market is going up. Bearish means market is going down. That is right there. Now, how you you'll be asked how we can define this bullish and bearish. Now we are coming on that point. So the market, the main thing, bullish market, how you can define the bullish market. The bullish market is creating the higher high and the higher low. Okay, just type it. Okay, the typing higher highs and higher low, it takes time. Okay, lower high, bearish market create the lower highs and lower lows. This is this simple. That's basically, that is right there is it. Bullish market create the higher highs and higher lows. I will sit straight. And the bearish market create the lower highs and lower lows. Let me check. My skull is not bigger than this. The recording, yes. Recording. Fuck. I like. Oh yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. All right, brother. This is the bullish market creating higher highs and higher lows, bearish market lower highs and lower lows. Now we'll be coming on a point like how we can define, is this the bullish market or is this the bearish market or is this the sideways market? So let's come on to this. So right now we are on this point, we are identifying what type of market we are in. Hold on. I love to make that sound. Yeah, I know that is not good, but it is what it is. I have to find my rumal, handkerchief. Takes time. Alright, so we are going to practice the bullish market. Bullish market. Oh shit. Bullish market. How we can define bullish market? Creating the higher highs and higher lows. Alright. So basically, what is a higher rise and what is a higher low? So basically, this right there, if market is going up, okay, just see the current price. Okay, just see the current price. Market is going up, creating a higher rise and higher lows. The current market is above. This is the higher rise. I'll make it fucking simple. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I want that. I want that brush thing with the brush is. Oh shit, where the brush is? Brush is right here. Just make it start, it will come here. The brush is, this is the current price, this is the snake. Just understand, imagine this is the snake. How you can find the higher low? Just go below, and where the sharp turn, this right there is the higher low. That is right there is the only higher low. That is pretty much it. And this is, if you find this, that is the higher high, that is the higher low. And I will make it more simple. Just give me a second. I will give more examples. I'll just control Z just allows you to undo. Market does this. Okay, now market have broken. Market has now created the higher high. All right, you will understand what is a higher high, like easily. Now this is the higher high. You'll like how you can understand this is the higher high, because this is the higher high. That's pretty much it. This has broke, like the higher high is defined as if the current market have broken the previous higher high. All right, this has broken the previous higher high. That makes the new higher high. That is only simple it is. Do not ask millions questions. This is only it. Accept it, move on. All right, so now this is the higher high. Now how we can predict, like how we can define the higher low? This is the snake and this is the snake. Just go below, and where is the new sharp turn? This thing right here is the higher low. Okay, click on escape, and this is the higher low. That is right there. That is fucking it. That right there is the bullish market. That is how you define it. Now anything on, like now this is the line, this is the higher high line, and this is the higher low line. All right, so anything on inside this line is the market structure. Okay, and when the price broken above this line, then the market have created the new higher high. And how we can define the how we can define the higher low? Just go to the current price. All right, current price or a market price, create the snake and calm down, and here we go for sharp turn. This is the higher low, and just shift this line to over here. This is how you can define. This is not coming to the left side. This is how you can define the higher highs and higher lows. That's pretty much right there is the bullish market. Let's go to the bearish market. All right, so bearish market is so opposite of it. All right, so basically this is the bearish market. So now the price is moving down, and you'll be like, how you can define that price is moving down? Basically, just see where the market is. Where the market is. Market is right now here, which is lower from every single thing. So this is the lower. Oh, I will just paste it. Oh, 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 that doesn't work. That doesn't work right there. I'll just take this down. Alright, I will come on that example as well. This is the simplest thing. If you just like, this is the make and break, and you have to understand this. You can't just skip this, okay? Let me tell you can't just skip this. This is the lower high. Exactly, just make the thing opposite which I said. This is the lower low, this is the lower high. Oh shit, this mouse is not good. This is the lower low, this is the lower high. Now you'll be like, why this is lower high? Here we go. This is the lower low, right? So just go on to the lower low, create that snake. This is the tongue of snake, okay? You'll be like, what the fuck? The snake has the mustache now. This is the tongue, this is the tongue of the snake, and the snake like go up, and where the sharp turn is, this right there is the lower high. So we are right now looking at the bearish market, bearish, bearish. That is right, was bearish market, which is creating lower highs and the lower lows. That right there is basically simple. Okay, bearish market, lower highs and lower lows. So now, if the market, if this comes up here, what it is, okay, if this market is in between these two lines, this what it is, this thing right there is nothing. This thing is nothing. This is just the market structure. This is not the bullish, this is not the bearish. This thing right there is the market structure, but the overall is the bearish. We are in a lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs means bearish. That's pretty much right there is. Let's just delete this. And now if we break this, okay, what it does, it created the new lower low. You're like, how in the world, like, explain me. You're like, explain. Yeah, I know, I fucking know your questions. So if the market is right here and market broke this line, okay, market broken this line, this lower low line, guess what, it created new lower low. So the line is shifting to the new lower low, and yes, the market is not stopped. The market can go more down. Okay, the line is also going to be flexible. This is going to be variable. So the lower low price, and you will be like, where the lower high, where this lower high is going to be. The lower high is going to be come up, come up, come up, come up. Where the sharp turn is, that right there is the lower high. And just take your lower high to this lower high, and what it is creating, lower lows and lower highs. Just refer what is lower lows and lower high. That right there is market is bearish. That is fucking it. That is fucking it. You have learned the basic of market structure. That right there is it. You have learned this. You have learned this basics of market structure. Sorry, basics of market. You have learned the first point. You have now learned the second point, understanding market structure. That is, I'm saying now, this thing right there is the most simplest thing. All right, so we'll go on the more example. All right, so like example basis, this is this, this is this, this is this. Now tell me, oh, I want this. Oh no, hold on. Let's take this. Okay, I will ask you a question. Like, just this, the trading is just a thing to ask a question to yourself. What this market is doing? All right, you'll be like, I will act like you. Okay, the Uday says this is market is going bullish. Do not. Oh, Uday says that we should be looking into the current price, not the previous price. Oh, I'm looking into the previous price. I should be looking at the current price. Oh, current price is creating the current price is going up, which means this is creating the higher high. And how I can define this is going upside, because this is above the previous high. Okay, this is created the higher high. So then Uday says like how we can define the higher low. Uday says that this is the snake. Use the snake. This is the tongue of the snake, which is weird. And just go down, and where the sharp turn is. Oh, this is the sharp turn. Is this the higher low? Let me check. Just copy, just copy paste, and is this the higher low? Oh shit. This is the higher end. This is the higher low. Oh my god, I just have done the higher high and higher low what Udesh told me, and this is the what acting you guys are going to do. And basically, yes, it is what it is. So I just want to ask you a question. What is this? What is this? Like, is this a higher high? Is this a higher low? Is this what it is? No, this is not the higher high. This is nothing. This is the market structure. The people who have said the market structure, yes, brother, this is the fucking market structure. I will ask you one more question. Oh shit, what is this now? Ask like thing. I will act like you. Okay, I will act like you. Okay. Oh my, like I will act like you. Okay. Oh my god, this has broken above this line. That means is this that the higher high? Udesh says that, oh, if the current price has broken the previous this line, higher high line, that means the current price is the higher high. Oh shit, I got how to do it. And let's define the higher low. Okay, this is the circle, this is the tongue of the snake, and if we just go down, oh shit, this the higher low. Oh my god, I have defined the higher low. Oh my god, this market is creating the higher highs and the higher lows. Udesh says that if the market is creating a higher highs and higher lows, that means the market is bullish. Oh shit. This is right, this is so simple. Now I'm not acting like you. So I literally, if I ask you like what this market is, just say it is bullish, because this is the creating higher and higher. That is what it is. And the exact same. Oh, yeah, we'll come on it. And exact same thing for bearish. Like again, the example, like question. Like I'm going to ask you a question. Be prepared, okay? All right. So this is the. I messed it up, man. I messed it up, man. I literally said, oh, I will ask you like what this market is. Is this a market is bullish or is this market is bearish? Okay. Bullish, like you, I will act like you, and I will teach you like how to think. I will act like you. Oh, Udesh is asking, is this a bullish or bearish? So, a bullish means the market is creating the higher highs and higher lows. So, the higher highs and higher lows means market is going up. So, I can see the market is going down. That means this is not the bullish. So, basically, only one thing is remaining. This is the bearish. Oh shit! I have defined this market is bearish. That means I'm getting good. Okay, now where I can put the lower lows and lower highs. The Udesh says that you should be putting the lower lows into the lower low elbow. That means is this the current price? This is the lower low. It looks like it is the lower low because this is the lowest low. And so where the lower high is going to be, let's see. This is the snake, this is the thing, and the market is going up. Oh shit, this is having the sharp turn, and this is basically the lower. This looks like a lower high. Let me just copy paste. Oh shit, this is the lower high. Oh my god, I have defined this market as the lower high. That means I'm getting good in. That means I have learned how to see the market. Is it bullish or is it bearish? Oh shit, I'm getting good in trading. Like you'll be acting like this. And I know I'm doing overacting, but I have to fucking entertain you. I have to entertain you, because now I will ask you a question, okay? So what this point is, okay? Alright, again, I'm going into your thinking mode. Oh, Udesh is asking what this point is. Right now, I don't think so. This point have created the lower lows and lower highs, or higher highs and higher lows. Nothing like that, because this price is right now in middle of this line and in this line. That means market have done nothing. That means market is bearish right now because we are creating lower highs and lower lows. But this point is in middle of this lower high and lower low line. That means this market is nothing. This market is just a market structure. So Udesh, this market is this point right there is just a market structure. And guess what? You are fucking true. I love you all, guys. You're going to get rich for sure. Alright, so I will ask you one more question. Oh shit, what this point called? What this point? And I'm going back again in your thinking. Okay, Udesh is asking this point. Okay, just give me a second. I will just make it good. Okay. Yeah, this circle is also the most important. Oh yeah. What this point called? Oh, Udesh, like I'm going back in your thinking mode. Oh, Udesh is asking what this point called. Let me check. Does this point have broken the previous lower lows line? Oh shit. Yes, this is broken the previous lower low line. That means the current market have broken this line. That means this is the new lower low line. Oh shit, I'm predicting the lower lows. What is the lower highs? Let me just define. This is the snake. This is the tongue, weird tongue of the snake, and we are going up. Oh shit, we are getting the sharp turn. Oh shit, this is the lower high. Oh shit, that means this is the lower high. That means we are predicting the market. Oh shit, this is the bearish market. This is the lower lows and this is the lower highs. Udesh says that if the lower lows and lower highs is being created, that means this is the bearish market. And guess what, you are true. This is the new lower lows and this is the new lower high. That right there is the simplest market structure. This right here, we have learned the 90% of the market structure. Alright, congratulations guys, congratulations yourself. You should clap hands right now, because this thing right here, 90% of traders, or sorry, 90% of traders and also people doesn't know this. They don't know what this market is right now. They will literally blah blah blah. I don't know this market is basically. I don't know. I will act right character. I don't know this market is basically. I really don't know. I think this is going to go up. But that's it. If you ask this market is bullish or bearish, yeah, they will be like, yeah, this market is going up. No, brother, this market, yeah, this market is going up. But is this market is bullish or bearish? Ask the question to them. All right. So we have done this. We have learned the bearish market and now we have learned the bullish market. Again, to recap this, bearish market is creating the lower lows and lower highs. Alright, the exact thing we have seen right here. This is the lower low, this is the lower high. Market is going down is equals to bearish market. And the second thing is the bullish market. The market is creating the higher highs and higher lows is the bullish market. That's pretty much it. Now, you guys have learned 90% of the market structure. 90%. So now the only and only 10% remaining is the shift of structure. Remember this word, because this word is going to help you make rich. Shift of structure. What it means? It's basically shift of structure. That's it. It's basically right now this thing is creating the lower lows and lower highs, right? This market is right here, lower lows and a lower high. And what if this market have done this? And you're like, oh fuck, now what? Fucking what now? No fucking what? Okay, just there is one rule right here. Okay, how you can spot this? Okay, this thing is fucking rules. Okay, you just have to mug up this thing. That's it. You will get rich. If you can mug up this thing, you will get rich. Alright, so this market is creating the lower lows. Oh shit, this is making a lot of prices. I have to close the door. This is right now is creating lower lows and lower highs. And if the current market price close, if the I thought the fan voice came. If the current market price close above the lower high line, then the market right now shifted to bullish market. That means, what is the definition of bullish market? Bullish market definition is creating the higher high and creating the higher low. So right now we have closed above this lower high. That means this lower high line is going to be created the higher high line, and this lower low point is going to become the higher low point. Don't ask me millions questions. Why? How? This is how it works. This is how it works. Understand the things. Alright. Basically this is creating the higher high and this is creating the higher low. That's pretty much. Again, we'll recap again. Alright. So we'll recap again. If the market price, if the market have closed above the lower high point, that's it. The market have closed above the lower high point. That means market is now not bearish. Market turns to bullish, because if the market closes above lower high point, then it is creating the higher high. Just understand this. Do not ask question. This is how it works. If the market closes above the lower high point, it is creating a higher high. And if the higher high is being created, there must be an higher low. If higher high is being get created, this market is in bullish. We can understand, because bullish market create the higher high and a higher low. If the higher high is created, there must be a higher low. Okay, you will be like, okay, brother, so where we can find the higher low? Because if it is created a higher high, it has to create the higher low. So let's go current price. Let's use this snake tactic. This is the weird tongue. Let's go down, 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 down. We will need to find the sharp turn. Oh shit, this is the sharp turn. This is the higher low. So the previous lower low point is getting converted to the higher low. Voila. You understand the shift of structure. So this shift of structure is happen, what we call shift oh shit, we call shift of structure. I'm good in typing, but I'm not be able to type on this. Shift of structure happens from bearish, BEARI, bearish market to shit, bullish market. All right, the market was bearish, it was creating lower lows and lower highs, and then from bearish market it turns to the bullish market, creating the higher highs and higher lows. So what did it call? Shift of structure happens from bearish market to the bullish market. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, brother. That's pretty much it. That's fucking right there is the going to change the trading. And I wanted to help you a lot, because this is fucking business. So now we have learned the shift of structure from bearish market to bullish market. Now we are going to learn opposite. We are going to learn shift of structure from bullish market to bearish market. Alright, let's go up. This is the bullish market, and I wanted to take this left. Can we take this left? Oh no, Atta. Oh shit. This thing is so weird right now. I have very much practice on my laptop, which is burned. This is so hard. Alright, so this is bullish market. How we can predict the bullish market? I want to go in your thinking mode. Alright, what they say is bullish market. Let me think bullish market. So bullish market is creating the higher highs and higher lows. Let me check, is this market is creating the higher highs and the higher lows? Oh shit, this is the higher high. Oh shit, this is the higher lows. That means this is fucking bullish. This market is bullish. That right there is only it. I need to fucking drink water. Brother, a lot of millionaire people are going to watch this, and I'm literally doing this like that doesn't make sense. Alright, so this is the bullish market. So we are going to learn the shift of structure from bullish market to bearish market. So this is bullish market. What it is? This is nothing. This is market structure. This haven't closed above this high. This is above this line and below this line. This is the this point right there is nothing. Okay. If the market closes above, like below this higher low point, below this higher low line, that means the market have shifted from bullish to bearish. That is what it is. So now the the market have closed below the higher low point. That means the market have shifted from bullish to bearish. So this is the now I will ask you, what is the how we can define the bearish market? Yeah, I'm not a monkey. I'm getting like machar is like the machar is like mosquito is biting. Come on, man. What? How to define the bearish market? Are you like, let me go on your thinking? Oh, bearish market. What they say is bearish market is the lower lows and lower highs. Okay, that means right there, this is going to be the lower low. Okay, this is going to be the lower low. The current price is always be the lower low. Okay, so now how we can find the lower high? Let's go here and let's do this. Let's use the tongue of the snake tactics and let's go where we want sharp turn. Oh shit, this is a sharp turn. This is the lower high. So now previous higher high is getting converted into the lower high. That's pretty much it. That thing right there is the going to change. So now we have learned from like shift. Oh shit, shift. This is so hard. Shift of structure. I want voice typing. Shift of structure from bullish market to bearish bearish market. Oh my god, this came over. Just give me a second. No, she didn't. Alright, so this is like, yeah, I'm having fear of stuff, of course. Who don't have? Come on, man. Accept it. So this is like, this is shift of structure happens from bullish market to the bearish market. Bullish market, how the market was creating the higher highs and higher lows, and now the market have closed below the higher low point, which makes the new lower low and creating a new lower high. Alright, that basically that thing right there is basically it. That thing we have learned the shift of structure from bullish to bearish market and shift of structure from bearish market to bullish market. This thing is going to make and break of trading. Okay, if this thing is not clear, brothers, do not go ahead, because ahead is going, we are going to use this only. Okay, if this thing is not clear, rewatch. Who is going to stop you? Rewatch, re-fucking watch. Spend fucking time in this, because this is going to make you rich, man. What the fuck you talking about? If you don't know, if you didn't get, you didn't get. Understand the things. Note down, because if I wanted to give example, I'm not not going to talk anything any different over here. I'm just going to repeat myself. Rather than I repeat myself, you repeat the video. What goes wrong? Alright, so this thing right here, we have completed the understanding market structure. Oh shit, hold on. हेलो, हाँ दीदी बोलना. हाँ बोलना. नहीं बोलना.
ते सोडत नाही जेवल्याशिवाय मी येताना तुझ्यासाठी घेऊन येते मी काहीतरी.
पुलाव असेल भरपूर तर मग नको आणू.
अरे बघ तर ना,
हा
येतं का तुला खोलता?
येतं. एक मिनिट थांबा, मी बघतो.
लावते का परत?
होय, हा लावता येतं ना. खोलता आलं तर येतं लावता. एक सेकंड हा. एक सेकंड हा. पॉज करें. Hello there, I came back again after opening that cooker. Yeah, basically, yeah, we have done this. We understand the market structure. Beautiful. And please, if you like, just listen to me. Do not explain me anything. Listen to me. If I'm saying that you need these two things. First thing, basic market structure. You need to be understand every single thing, then move to the understanding market structure. If you understand the market structure, then only move to the third topic, which is multi-time frame analysis. If you don't understand, please do not go ahead. You will mess up. Okay, you will don't understand anything. And even if you do understand anything, brother, you're going to lose, because you literally don't understand this thing. The most important thing, which is understanding market structure. If you don't understand, repeat the video. That's basically for just 20 minutes. This topic is just a 20 minute. Please go back, watch it time and time. I want you to become rich, and I'm going to make you rich for sure. Third is multi-time frame analysis. You'll be like, what the fuck is multi-time frame analysis? Brother, multi-time frame analysis is using the multi-time frame. That is what it is. Using the different time frame. So we have the chart. We can use weekly, daily, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. This is what time frame we are going to use. And you can ask why this is only, why we can't use 5 minutes, 1 minute, blah blah. Just do not ask questions. If I'm saying do this, do fucking this, because right now we are not in the classroom. I wanted to give a lot of answers, because now if like you can ask like why we don't use 1 minute, brother. In 1 minute there are a lot of movement. You can't take the trade in that high progress movement because you are beginner. You want a slow thing, you want the time to think. You can't go and take the trade in a fast paced market. You will lose. Okay, I have million different answers for that. But if you want to make money right now, sorry, not right now. If you want to make money, if you want to become the profitable trader, if you want to become the financial free, if you want to become wealthy, you have to just follow what I'm saying. All right. Basically, this is what it is. Weekly, daily, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. This is basically a different time frames. This is having, let's imagine this thing. These are the different persons. Okay, weekly is the separate person, daily is the separate person, so as 4 hours is the separate person. All right, this is like a lot of different persons. So what are we doing here? Multi-time frame analysis is basically how I can explain you. Like for example basis, you have your own friend. For example, you have the friend, see right or see left, the friend is sitting with you watching this video. Oh, do not laugh, man. Come on, man. Friend or girlfriend, huh? Oh, shit. Repointed. My going to get die. Now, basically, let's say you have your girlfriend, huh? Which makes me think my own, but she is not no more. Actually, we have a breakup. She break up with me. Come on, man. What I'm saying. Come on, man. Stick to the thing. Multi-time frame analysis. Okay, multi-time frame analysis. What is it? Let me tell you. So if you have a girlfriend, and if you want to take your girlfriend to the some particular hotel for dating or something like that, you have to find a lot of things to prove her that please come with me. Basically, like you can say like this hotel is so good, why is so like you are like why this is so that hotel is good, because that hotel has AC, that hotel has the puppet like dog to play with, that hotel has the best chef, that hotel has the best pricing, affordable pricing, that hotel is the best thing, and that hotel is a private hotel. So like tables are particularly private, so no one can see what is going on the other table. So like you are gathering a lot of things to prove your girlfriend that let's go to that particular hotel, because that hotel has a lot of different number of things. Just come with me to that hotel, we'll have the best dinner over there, because this has the best thing, best chef, best affordable price, this has the private rooms, private tables for not getting disturbed with the other people's, right? So yeah, it happens. So basically it is what multi-time frame, you will be like why the Yudesh is saying like multi-time frame analysis is just a thing that we are gathering the information from a lot of different time frames and coming up with the high probable outcome. All right, literally this is the game changer, and most of people are not using this. A lot of people are like asking question like what time frame you use. Some people say 1 minute, 2 minute, only 1 minute. What time frame you use? Other people say I use 30 minutes. Man, why you stuck with the one fucking time frame? If you can combine a lot of different time frame and come up with the highest probable output, highest probable like highest probable output of this market is going to go up, why will you not make money? Because you're making the fucking high probability predictions. So basically, let's see, these are the different friends. Daily, weekly is different friend, daily is like a different person, 4 hours a different person, 2 hours a different person. Basically, what are we doing? The weekly is going to tell his own story. Daily, this friend, this person is going to say his own story. For her is going to tell his own story. For example, let's say like these are the all different persons, like daily, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 30 minutes, 15. These are the all different type of person. They're standing in a group right now. Imagine this. You have to imagine. Okay, if you're not imagining, then you can't understand. Imagine these are the different type of person. Okay, these are different persons, and they are standing in the, literally imagine this are the persons. Okay, these are the little human hand, two hands, blah blah blah. They are literally standing in a group, and they watch what they are going to watch. Oh, they watch a movie. Ah, beautiful. I'm so good in example. They watch the movie. Now, if you ask weekly this person how the movie was, what you like, he will tell the different answer. If you ask daily this person, he will tell, oh, I like this. Like he will tell some different answer. He will not match with the weekly answer. Okay, every single person is going to watch that particular movie, same movie, all are watching the same movie, but every single person is going to watch that same movie in his own angle. Every single person, if you ask weekly, daily, this the two are like how the movie was, both of them are going to say some different answers. Both of them like some different types of things, like one of the like fighting, one likes adventures, right? Adventure part of that movie, like every single have the different story. All right, so what we are as a trader, what are we going to do? These guys are going to tell us how the movie was, and we are going to think how the movie literally was. Understand? If weekly says, oh, that movie was having some of the adventure, some of the fightings, this daily said that movie was having some kind of breakup or something like that. This 4 hours says, yeah, that movie has two persons, two couples. This 2 hour will tell his own story, that has this and that, and we have to listen to every single one story, and we have to picturize that story in our mind, and literally create the whole movie in our mind, and understand what movie was. Understand? I think so you understand. So basically, this is what it is. So yeah, let's go on the weekly time frame. All right, so that right there, what I told you, is the base of the multi time frame analysis. Collecting different answers from different persons, how we can hear, collecting different answers from different time frames, and gathering all the answers. Okay, gathering all the answers, then analyzing each and every answers, and then predicting the output. I'm going to teach you every single one, and this is listening, this is sounds so hard, but it is so simple. You will be like, fuck, this is so simple, man. I'm going to risk 100% in this fucking trade. No, you'd never risk 100%. So right now, let's go on. This is the Euro USD. How I know? We can see this is the Euro USD. This is a weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. Okay. Every single candle has the week. So now, how we can see this is the higher high and higher low. Just see the real market right now. The current market is here, right? So, but market looks like this is the most highest point the market have went right now is this. So this is the higher high point. All right, so let's go here. This is the higher high point, and where the higher low point is going to be, I will zoom it so that we can literally focus on this. All right, so where the higher low point going to be, you'll be like, oh, this is, if this the higher high, man, this color sucks. If this the higher high, where the higher low is going to be, this is the snake tactics. I will make it simple. I will fucking make it simple. Trust me, this is the simplest thing. Now understand? Now you guys are going to understand like I think. Shit, you guys are going to understand like I think. So now, if you ask like, why this is not the higher high or lower high or blah blah, brother, just zoom out the market and see where are we in the move. So right now, this is the highest point I can able to see. This right there is the highest point I can able to see. So this is going to be the higher high. All right, so how we can define the higher low, just go on the go on this higher high point, create the snake line, and just follow down where the sharp turn comes. Oh shit, here the sharp turn comes, and we are going to see this as the higher low. That is basically so simple. This thing right there is so simple. Higher low. I can make this more simple. Hold on, I will literally tell you. This thing right here is the simplest thing. Now you can ask, like, there is going to be confusion for sure. You can ask like, why this is not the higher high. Okay, if you literally zoom this, if you literally zoom this, right now this is going to be the lower low and this is going to be the lower high, right? But you can't just zoom this much, you have to zoom out. Okay, just go on this candlestick, you have to zoom out a lot, not a lot. You have to zoom out somewhat where you can see the candlestick color. Like, yeah, this is the point where you can see the candlestick color. This is how you can understand. Now let's we have see that. Okay, this is right here, we can see. All right, this is the price is right now here. So why to zoom this out? Let's zoom this particular part. Okay, so now we have zooming this particular part. So now what I can able to see here, that the highest point in this move is basically this. That's the reason this is the higher high and this is the higher low. Now time, you need time to get good in this. So now you'll be like, ask like, how in the world you can say this? Imagine this market is right here. All right, market is right here. This is the higher high, this is the higher low. Now I'm using the replay tool. We can literally go back in time and predict this. All right, so this is the higher high, this is the higher low. So now does this market, if the market close above this line, that means there is no going to be a new creation of the higher high. So we'll see, we'll click. Oh, there was, oh, this have literally came down, but it haven't closed. We'll see, it came up. We need to wait for the closure. All right, so this is still going. I'm still clicking on this. It haven't closed above, or okay, now we are above. Now we are at the current price. This haven't closed above this line and below this line. That's why this market is bullish. So weekly market is bullish. So right now we'll go back on this, and again. So now this line chart you are going to use for defining the higher high and higher low. But make sure after you define the higher high and higher low, you go back to the candlestick and check, does this higher low is valid on the candlesticks? And now I can able to see this is not the valid, because if the market comes right here, this is literally going to skip this. This is not going to be the U-turn. Okay, the U-turn is the market, the U-turn, I mean this literally the U-turn. Okay, understand? So now this is not the valid higher low, this is going to be the valid higher low. That is basically, that right there is basically fixed. That right there is fucking it. Do not make it complicated. Are we recording? Holy shit, yeah, we are recording. And I think I need to make this camera like this. Alright, so Yeah, so now we are going to use this option and click over here. So now we are going to literally type what it is, what time frame is it is. This time frame is weekly, WEEKLY. Weekly is, sorry, weekly is bullish. Okay, we have to type this. Okay, we have to, and this is mandatory. If you like, if you wanted to make, if you wanted to get rich, you have to type this. Weekly is bullish. Bullish, you'll like use this. Okay, use this and just put it at the corner, so that if you move this option, this, if you enable this option, this is not going to move. If you disable this option, if this is going to move, and we don't want this to get moved, we want this to at one place. All right, so weekly is bullish. You're like, how you come up with the bullish? I want you to think in your way. Bullish, oh, bullish, Udesh says this is bullish. Like, how in the world this can be bullish? Let me think. Like, Udesh says bullish is equals to higher highs and higher lows. Oh, is this market is creating a higher high and higher low? Oh, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. Oh shit, this is the market is bullish. Udesh is right. So now we are going back to the daily time frame. All right, so daily time frame. I clicked on the daily time frame. Now each and every single candle is the daily. Okay, so now we are going to, like, can we zoom out this much? No, we have to zoom in this much. Okay, now not even this much, we have to zoom in a little bit so that we can see the candlestick clearly. Okay, now this is the noise. Okay, we have to see where are we right now. We are here. Okay, just go back and see, have we got bearish or bullish. So right now, to make it more simple, okay, I will do this. All right, all right, all right, all right. So right now this is the higher high. I just came back to explain you how you can define the higher high and higher low. So right now this is the high. Oh shit, this is the higher high and this is the higher low. Okay, literally this is how you can define this. All right, so this is the higher high, this is the higher low, and just go ahead. If we close below this line, that means if we close below this line, that means this is going to get bearish. So now market have closed. Now remember, we need candlestick closure, body candlestick closure. Body means this color should be come out. We don't want wick only. Wick means only black line. No, we need color to come out from this line. So now this is the candlestick closure below. So now what it defines, the market have broken the higher low point, which is equivalent to market got bearish. Shift of structure happens from bullish to bearish. So now this is going to be lower low. And how we can define the lower high? This is the snake, this is the tongue of the snake. We can just go up, and there is a sharp turn right here. This thing right here is the lower high. That's it. That's fucking it. That right there is only it. This is the lower high. Alright, this is how we have defined the daily bearish. But guess what? This is not the current price. This is the 30 July price. So now we are going to go ahead. We're just waiting for this to break right now. We are predicting the market right now. Alright, so we are defining the market. I just want to do what is goal of doing this, because I wanted to tell you how I come up this market is bullish or bearish. This daily market is bullish or bearish or not. This is how you are going to do, literally. So we have closer above this lower high point. If the market have closed above the lower high point, that means the market shift to bullish. So this is the higher high, and this is basically the higher low. All right, that's pretty much easy. So now we are just waiting to what just happened right now. So basically the market have closer below the higher low. So that means if market broken below the higher low, that means this market gets bearish. So we will be doing this. This is the lower low. Alright, so how we can define the lower high? Go ahead, snake tactic, go up. Oh, that's a sharp turn right there. That thing right there is the lower high. Alright, just double click on it, and that thing is right there is lower high. If we have the lower low, we have to search where is the lower high. Okay, if we have the lower low, we have to have the lower high. All right. So now we'll delete this, we'll delete this, and we'll delete this, and we'll delete. My throat is getting sore now. Now we'll go ahead, again ahead. Oh, right there we have broken the previous lower low line. That means this is the new lower low line and the new lower high. Go again. Snake tactic. I'm literally explaining this, man. Literally explaining this. This is the sharp turn right here. Now this thing right here is the lower high. Basically, that is only it. Well, we'll delete this line, we'll delete this line. We have to be clear, okay? We have to be clear. Alright. So again, we'll go ahead. Oh, the lower low point shifted to this price. Now we are retracing. Oh. This has weak into this line. We don't want weak. We need body candlestick closure right there. So this is basically doing nothing, and right now we are at this price. So this is how I come up this market is bearish. And now, do you saw this? This is so simple. Like, we just have to understand, does this market is bullish or bearish? That's it. And I am at the point, if I open at any chart, I can literally spot that market is bullish or bearish within 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds. And you are going to do the exact same. I mean, you require the experience. Right now, you have just understand how to see the market. You haven't practiced it. Once you practice, once you give only and only 1 hour for practice of this, just go back in this time, just go back and just see. Oh, we have lower high, higher high, higher low. Oh, this breaks below this line, this is lower low. Oh, this breaks below this line, this is lower low, this is lower high. That's it. Just go back, practice for almost 10 months. You are going to start looking at market. Within 5 months you will predict it. Within 5 months, I'm talking to you. Yeah. Let me drink this water. Holy shit, I was so thirsty. Alright. I will bring the rumal. I will bring the rumal for Suma. Alright. So right now this is daily. We have to type what does daily is bullish or bearish. Ask a question. So DALY daily is bearish. BEARISH bearish. So we are going to find the weekly bullish or daily is bearish. Now let's go on the 4 hours. This is the other person. So the 4 hours right now, again this use, okay, now I'm not going to go for basic because we have to finish this video as fast as possible. Right now the 4 hours is, just tell me 4 hours is bullish or bearish. So right now the 4 hours is bullish. Just go back in time, practice it, you will find it. Okay, now I'm just repeating myself. I have given the example. Now it's time to move faster. Okay, so now this is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. How I define it, just go back and just go do this, and basically this is the higher, this is the higher low, basically. So we can see the 4 hours. Oh damn it, 4 hours is bullish. Alright, so bullish. Every single person, every single time frame has its own story. So after the 4 hours, we are resetting back to the weekly time frame. Alright, that's pretty much it. So let's analyze this trade. Okay, let's analyze this. Alright, so this is the bullish. This is bullish, means the market is bullish market. Weekly market is bullish. Daily market is bearish. Daily bearish, and daily is going down, and 4 hours market is bullish. Alright, so right now we have 2 time frames going above and 1 time frame going down. What do you think what we should do? What we should do? Do we sell or do we buy? Oh shit, I have to explain you sell and buy. Oh my god. Sell means you predicting the market. You want market is going move down, go down. If you sell and if market go down, you will make money. If you sell, market move up, you will lose money. Other hand, you, if what is buy? Buy is equals to market goes up. If you buy, if market goes up, you make money. If you buy, market goes down, you lose money. That's basically simple, right? So right now, bullish and this is bullish. So two time frames are bullish and one time frame is bearish. Okay, who will you trust? Who will you trust? Now I think so. Like now, as per the data, this looks bullish and we should be looking for buy. But guess what? We should be looking for selling. And now you'll be like, whoa, wait. Right now you said we have to go majority time frame, and majority time frame is getting bullish, and one time frame is getting bearish. What the fuck you talking about? And yes, the question of this answer, the the answer of this question is going to get solved right now. So we are. I just wanted to make you think this question to to understand the thing which I'm going to tell you. All right. So we'll go upside. Upside is good. Upside is brother. I'm talking shit. So let's go here. All right. So basically, let me do this. Let me give you beautiful presentation. All right, the vertical line. This is the vertical line. Just make the black color which looks professional. This is the horizontal line. All right. So what is the multi-time frame analysis? I have done every single thing just to make you think like why in this world we have to go up and go down. Basically, bullish market. Oh, sorry, weekly is bullish. Imagine this currency is Euro USD. Euro USD. Man, that is so small. Yeah. This thing right there is the Euro USD. Okay. Now, multi-time frame analysis is getting covered. Okay. Remember, and please now give the attention. All right. So this is weekly, and this is going to be the daily time frame. This is I'm literally giving you, I'm literally teaching you how the market actually works. Okay, and I just can't make this. I literally wanted to make I literally wanted to charge the fucking money for this course, man. I don't know, man. I will just record and I will think about like should I upload it for free? Because this thing, I'm literally telling you how the billion-dollar market will. Sorry, not billion, trillion-dollar market will. I am going to teach you, and I'm going to teach you. So, alright. So basically, this, yeah, this is this. Yeah, this is. Just give me a second. I'm just preparing the things for you. Alright, alright, alright. Ta 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 ta. You'll be like, what the fuck Udesh is doing? Udesh is right now creating the 4 hours time frame. I'm literally demonstrating you what and how in the world you are going to learn the so yeah, basically let's do this. So right now we are at this point where we're going to learn the original of. I just shown you the practice. Okay, I shown you this in a practice. Now we are going to learn how in the world we are going to use. I just told you what is multi-time frame analysis. Now I'm going to teach you how we are going to use. Alright, I have told you what is multi-time frame analysis. Now I'm going to teach you how we can use the multi-time frame analysis. Right now weekly is bullish. Okay, it is creating a higher high, it is creating a higher low. I want this to be type here. Alright, so we'll just go here to this. Oopsie doopsie. This is the black, this is the higher high, and this is the, tell me. Higher low. Brother, you doing good, man. You're going to get rich for sure. Alright, so this is the higher low. This is the also the higher low. I'm just copying, pasting, control C, control V. Nothing more. And this is the higher low. Alright, this is the 4 hours time frame. Just do not think complex. This is it. This is fucking it. Okay. Alright, so let's get into this because I have to finish as fast as possible. So right now, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. Weekly is bullish. So weekly we need to track, we need to keep the track. We have to be the typist. Alright, so daily is bullish as well. Alright, so 4 hours is bullish. How I in the world I have written this bullish? Because this is creating the higher high, high low, higher high, high low, higher high and higher low. So right now, alright, so we just can't buy the market when it is super above. We are going to use the market break and retest pattern. We need break and retest, break and retest. You'll be like, what the fuck this is talking about? I will tell you. I just wanted you to think that thing to make yourself learn the things which I'm going to talk about right now. This is so psychological. I'm literally using psychology to teach you. Do not play with me. I'm a big guy. Yeah. All right. So this is the support resistance. Oh my god, I have to teach you that as well. I haven't come up that. All right. So basically, let's just see. Okay, I will teach you that, and that is what is going to be the next thing. That is support and resistance. But right now, I have to teach you multi-time frame analysis. So multi-time frame analysis. This is the area where we are looking for buy. Okay, let's imagine this is the area we are looking for buy. This is the area on a daily time frame over here as well, and this is the same exact area on the 4 hours time frame over here. Yes, below. Why? Because 4 hours is creating 4 hours. So how much candles? 4 4 12 4 16 4 5 24 6 24 6 candles it is creating to create the one daily candle. That means the 4 hours time frame is going to create a lot of candles than the daily. Okay, if the daily have only two candles, but then the 4 hours is going to be have how much we calculated 6 1 6 12 6 18 6 4 24 6 5 are 6 4 are 24 6 4 are 24 oh shit 6 yeah 6 candles oh 6 candles in a one day the 4 hours is creating. So if your two candles are creating on a daily 6 1 6 12 6 are oh shit, this is so confused. Fuck off. If I'm getting confused, I don't want to explain that. Alright, so let's imagine. Okay, let's imagine we are going to buy. Okay, this is a risk reward ratio tool. We're going to buy this. Okay, we are going to buy over here. I want price to come up here, and you'll be like, why you only want to buy over here, brother? Understand, we have to buy on the area of interest, and this is the area of interest, and I'm going to teach you how to spot this area of interest, okay, to the perfection. So right now I'm looking for buying here. So the market right now is so above, so I need market to come to this area of interest to buy. Okay, understand? I hope you understand. So now if market wanted to come to this area of interest, what things is going to happen, I'm going to teach you right now. Because if you can understand this thing, you will literally predict the market, and you will literally know why the market is doing the things which is doing right now, and you can literally predict the market is going to do in the next what it's going to do. Let's go. Alright, so if this market came little bit down on a weekly, the daily is going to create the price action right here. daily is going to do this. All right. So if daily is going to do this, the 4 hours, the first time frame was going to get bearish. That is 4 hours. 4 hours get bearish, retrace, bearish, retrace. Oh shit! This thing is so big. Yeah, the 4 hour. Jesus, कौन मेरे को इतना मैसेज कर रहा है? Who the fuck is messaging this much? Now the 4 hours is creating. 4 hours got bearish. Blah blah blah. This is the lower low, and this is the lower high. Pretty much, yeah. Just this is the only way to explain. Okay, if you don't understand, please go back, repeat it again. And again, if the market, if this market is coming up here, the daily is going to create like this, the market structure, nothing more. Okay, on the same way, the 4 hours is going to create the lower lows and lower highs because it is coming down. If market is coming down means market coming down, that means it goes to bearish. If bearish market is equals to, it is creating the lower lows and lower highs. That is, if this is creating lower lows and lower highs, that is what it is. So right now 4 hours time frame is over here. So right now the weekly time frame is came over here. Okay, came onto the area of interest where we are going to buy. So this thing is coming in the middle of our. So now daily time frame is basically doing this games over here. Alright, and the 4 hours time frame is basically did this. Alright, basically we have reached to our point, we have reached to our area of interest where we are looking for buy. Now suddenly we just can't directly buy, we can't directly buy. Okay, we need to wait for some kind of rejection. So what we are going to do? This thing is so simple, man. This thing is so simple. I'm going to open your eyes. I'm going to literally open your eyes. And this is the end of the lecture. You're like, what the fuck? No, yeah, this is kind of end of the lecture. We just need. Oh, wait. Let's just zoom on the 4 hours. Right now, see. Let me recap. Right now, weekly is bullish. Weekly came here. Weekly is bullish until and unless this price close below higher low. Alright, so weekly is bullish. Okay, this price is here, this is in middle of this two line, that means weekly is bullish. So daily is also bullish because this is the higher high, this is the higher low, the price has never broken below the higher low, so this is the bullish. So we have approached to the area of interest where we are looking for buying. Okay, 4 hours is creating the lower lows and lower highs. Okay, 4 hours is being the most candlestick creation because it is what it is. So how in the world we are going to take the trade? So right now the 4 hours, let's update this. We have to update this. Double click BEAR. I need water. I'm going to die. My throat is paining now because from a lot of days I haven't talked this much, man. So now what are we waiting for? Now we just can't buy just because of price has came to our area of interest, right? This is black box. The black box is named as area of interest. We just can't buy. We need the market shows we are looking for buying. So what we want, basically what we want is simple. We want shift of structure. Right now this is creating the lower lows and lower highs. Just let's zoom this thing up. Alright, so this is creating the lower lows and lower highs. What we want is this market to go bullish. That's it. That is the only thing you are waiting for taking the buy trade. And guess what, 90%, 90, not even 90, 95% traders and even people don't know this. You guys know this. You are so ahead of this. You know, you understand. So right now we got bullish just because of the price on the 4 hour time frame have closed above this line. So this got bullish. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. Meow. Basically, we got bullish. All right. So now we are waiting for the. So we again we can't buy when the market is up. We need retracement. Retracement means market comes little bit down. Okay. So now we are waiting for the retracement. Okay. So now this retracement, this pullback thing, the market from here to here, this thing called a retracement. This retracement where now we are going to go on the lower time frame. The lower time frame means the 1 hour, the 30 minute, and the 15 minute. Okay, this are the time frame we are going to go. This time frame now, if we just if I just highlight this thing right there, this pullback, okay, this pullback right here, the the lower time frame has to go bearish, has. So now this thing is going to create like this. All right, I will tell you what I'm doing here. So I have created the price action. Price action means the lower lows and lower highs. This price action has been created on this 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute time frame. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And what we are waiting for, what are we waiting for? These time frame, 15 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour time frame to go bullish. That's it. And if this got bullish, that means we'll be getting this type of thing over here, and we can easily buy this trade. All right, all right. If we can easily buy this trade and have the take profit to this area, easy ones to do. All right. Basically, this is what it is, and that is how trading works. That is literally how trading works. If I want to do, and once this 4 hours get bullish, the daily is going to have the engulfing candle. Now engulfing candle means the previous candle is getting eaten by the new candle. Simple. The new candle, the current new candle is bigger than the previous candle. Now we are considering only and only body, right? We just don't like, we can consider if a new candle got bigger than the previous candle body, and also wick means that lines above and below, that's good. If not, that is okay, that's no problem. That is right there is that right there is the strategy. That right there is only the thing, man. This is the only the thing. And just going to buy now, buy over here at this price, the exact same thing. So now, do you saw what I did, what I've done here? Basically, this is a higher high, this is the higher low. Price comes over here, right? And the daily does this, and the 4 hours, the more lower time frame we go, the more good, the more precise we are getting. The daily and weekly are the area of interest, or are the time frame to predict the prediction of the trend. The 4 hour is basically used for prediction of the trend and also entry signal. So I will explain every single one. I just don't want to make it this complicated. So if this price is coming, if the daily is coming down or to this area of interest, that means 4 hours is going to get bearish and come to this area of interest. And when we are going to take the trade, buy trade, because we are predicting that this market is going to go up, we just want this 4 hours to go bullish. Once the 4 hours got bullish, okay, 4 hours got bullish, will we wait for the retracement? That retracement, that pullback of the on the 4 hours is going to create the bearish price action on the 15 minute, 30 minute, and the 1 hour time frame. And once this 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, any of this time frame got bullish, brother, that right there is the confirmation that this retracement, this coming down thing is done. Now it is going to go up. That right there It takes a lot of IQ, man. My IQ got so used right now. That right there is the only thing that is going to make you rich. That's pretty much it. This thing right here is the multi-time frame analysis. We are predicting we want this price to come on the area of interest of weekly and the daily. I will come on the area of interest, and once it come on the area of interest, we just going on the 4 hours, and we want 4 hours to go bullish. I mean 4 hours to go bullish, right? Because we are looking for buying. The 4 hours got bullish, and then after 4 hours got bullish, we waiting for retracement thing. Once this retracement means the market is going to come down, right? Market is going to come down. If the market is going to come down, that means the more precise, the more lower time frame. Now 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute is going to get bearish, and once this market is got bullish, so now this is the lower low. Okay, this is the 15 minute oh shit, that was right. This is the lower lows, and this is the lower high. This got bullish, this is the higher high, and this is the higher low. This right there is showing that the pullback is done, and now 15 minute got bullish. So now this the price is right now here. The 15 minute got bullish, price is right now here. 4 hours engulfing candle, 4 hours engulf previous candle. Then daily have the engulfing candle as well, engulfing candle and the doji candle. You just go and search what I'm saying. I don't want to teach you right now this thing, because this thing right here, there are a lot of videos are going to be there of the doji and the blah blah blah. Just go and watch it. Okay, I just wanted to tell you how you can get rich. Okay, yeah, pretty much this. So this is how you can get. I will show you example as well, and that is how we will wrapping up the what it is, the multi-time frame analysis. So let's go on to the real chart. So right, as we know, this is the bullish. Okay, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, and I literally take this trade and I literally make money on this. Almost like, I just don't want to talk about dollars. 2%, 4%. Okay, all right, so weekly is bullish. This is the higher high, this is the higher low. All right, so we'll go back in time, this. All right, this is the best example. Like, this is the live example. No one is going to teach you like this. All right, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. So we are anticipating this is the area of interest of the weekly time frame. Weekly, this is the area of interest. We want the price to come up till here, and the price, I'm predicting the price is going to come up till here. So let's go on a daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame. Daily is bearish right now. This is the lower low. All right, this is the lower low. Control V. This is the lower high. Just wanted to make this fast, man. This is the lower high, this is the lower low, and the area of interest we were waiting for on the daily time frame was basically this. Was the area of interest we were waiting for. So daily is bearish. DAILY रहता है, DAILY. I was like, something is getting off. Daily is bearish. So now the 4 hours. Now the price has came to our area of interest. Now we'll go back, like we'll go on a lower time frame, and what we see, brother, what we see. The price have come to our area of interest. Okay, got more, came more. And again, this is, oh shit, you can't just see, right? You just can't see. I will just change the color. Can you? Maybe. I will zoom it more. I will fuck it. I will zoom it more. Just wanted to explain you this. So now, this is the higher high. Oh, I have to tell you this as well. Higher high. 4 hours. Oh, you see, 4 hours higher high. Higher high, and this is the higher low. Okay, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. Okay, and what we done, we have closed below the higher low point, and now this is the lower low, because we have closed below the higher low point. Just go back what I say. If you close below the higher low point, that point becomes the lower not lower high, this become the lower low point. If the lower low point is there, it has to have the lower high point, and basically this is the lower high point. This thing is so simple, man. This thing is so simple, just making it complicated. Okay, so now this came over here. All right, this came over here, then it have created a new lower low. You see how the market comes over here, got bullish, and then got bearish. That is the sign right there that market is going to go down. We want the market, I mean, we were waiting for the market was right here. Okay, the market was right here. We was wanting for the market to come on this area of interest. That means the 4 hours is going to go bullish to come on this area of interest, and then once the 4 hours got bearish, that time right there is the trade time. Okay, so we could literally take the trade right here. So we want the 4 hours, this is the 4 hours bullish. We want 4 hours candlestick closure below the higher low point. We have created the higher low point, and basically we'll be go right here. All right, so this is the 4 hours lower low, this is the 4 hours lower high. Now 4 hours candlestick close below this higher low point, and now we have created lower lows and lower high. That means the 4 hours got bearish. That means the 4 hours have shown that market is going to go down. So now that right there, we are going to go in a 30-minute or 15-minute time frame, whichever looks cleaner. Now the 15-minute got bullish right there. Okay, 15-minute got bullish. This is the let me check this is not bullish, this is the lower low. Oh shit, this is the lower low, this is the lower high. We are waiting for a retracement where the 15-minute and 30-minute is going to go bullish. So we'll be waiting for the same. This is the this haven't got bullish right now. Let me check 30-minute. Yeah, basically we are still bearish. This is lower low, this is lower high, this is lower low, this is the lower high. Yeah, basically we are still bearish, but what we want is the rejection. So that's good. If we did not get bullish, beautiful. So what we were waiting for, the structure should get bearish. So right now the structure is creating structure is this big structure. This is lower lows, lower high, and lower low. And what is structure? In structure is the price action inside these two lines. So right now price action is looks like this is creating the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high. What we need is waiting for break of this and retest this. All right, so we'll see what happens. Basically we haven't done anything. We're sideways, and now this has created the, is this close above this? Yeah, this close above this. So this is now this in structure I'm talking. This is not a real, this is structure in structure. This is the higher high, this is the high low. I want the price to break below this to take the sell trade. So now we'll wait. Yeah, trading is a fucking waiting game, man. We'll wait. Now this has closed above this higher high. I'm talking about structure in structure. So that's the reason we are waiting for the candlestick closure below to take the sell. Now right now this has candlestick closure below this high. So this is the high, this is the low. We are waiting for the price to break below this. All right, so if this price breaks, oh cool, that doesn't happen. So now we're still waiting for, oh, that's good. That means the 15-minute have broken the 15-minute structure, actual structure. Now this is the higher high. Oh my god, I haven't talked this low. It's paining now. This is the higher low. So now we're waiting for this price to break. That's it, break, and we'll take the trade. If we retest, beautiful. We're just waiting for the price to break. Okay, now price, oh wait, you saw this, this is the higher high, and this is the higher low. We literally break. Okay, but I will not consider this. Why? Because we are, first thing first, we are above this area of interest. I will be definitely looking for price to break below or inside this area of interest. This is not the valid. I will consider this is as the higher high, this as the higher low. Why? Because we are above and we can literally retest and literally go. So that is how we are going to avoid loss. We need shift of structure inside this area of interest or below this area of interest. If it is below, that's Picasso, that's the high probable come. If we have the under the inside the area of interest, that is not a high probable. So we'll continue. Oh, that is the higher high right there, and this is the beautiful higher low. But I will not consider this as a higher low. I want this to be kid break, because if we consider this as a higher low, if it could literally go, because we are above the area of interest. So now we're just waiting for this to get break, break. So now we literally get bearish, break. Yeah, basic. Oh, you see right there. Oh, we haven't closed it. We haven't. I thought we closed. So now what we are waiting, we need candlestick closer below this line. So we're waiting for. Oh, we wicked into it. Oh my god, look at that. So now we literally this is now lower low. We always wait for the candlestick closure. Okay, do not ask me should I take the trade right now. No, we always take the trade after the candlestick closure. So this candlestick closure, this candlestick close, now we can literally take the trade right now and basically keep the stop loss above this area of interest, add a 10 pips. That's basically it. And now we have shifted the market, 15-minute market, from bullish to bearish. Basically, that is all I want. That is what I actually explained. That is all we want. Now we are waiting, like now we are taking the trade. The downside literally are going to make money over here, because this is the high probable thing. So now we are doing this business, and voila, we are going to go down. We are getting down, and I will just keep this on. Oh, right now we are in drawdown, but now we are going to go down. Blah 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 blah. Still we got into drawdown. Drawdown means we can see the floating loss. It's not the real loss. I will explain you every single thing. Oh, right there we are having the beautiful floating loss right there, and this is what we are avoiding. That is why placing the stop loss is going to be the most important game. So we'll wait, and oh shit! Now we are coming into profit again. Shit, we are again coming into profit. Oh my, I'm stressed. And right there is, oh shit, my hand is spinning now. And now we are hitting down. We are making money now. We're making money. Oh, that is wrong. We're making money. And oh, my hand is spinning now. My little hand is spinning by clicking the fucking button. I'll use middle finger. And now we again came to back to our entry level, but we are going to hold this trade. I will tell you when to hold, when to exit at this take profit thing. How should I'm going to use my left hand now? And rat right there is going to come down, came down, brother. Here's our take profit, brother. Come down and give me my take profit. Make me money, brother. Alright, this is still ongoing, and right there we hit our take profit. That right there is the example of multi-time frame analysis. What we have done right here is we are doing the multi-time frame analysis. We are coming out from that 95% traders who lose money, from the 5% traders who use this. This thing is going to change your life. And I'm talking about really. This thing is going to change your life. For sure. Mark my words. This is this simple. Now the point is how I make money on this. I have make money on this. I literally take the trade live, not YouTube live. I literally record my screen. I have my own vlog. I literally take the trade like by explaining you all guys. I have lost in the first trade and now make the money on this trade. Basically, I was in profit after all. So hold on, let me drink the voice. Let me drink this. Holy shit, man! I'm literally giving this. Oh man, this thing is going to break. I'm literally giving this iconic thing for free. I mean, I should slap myself, man. I am doing the worst mistake ever. But guess what? I wanted to help these people. I want to help. So now the thing is when when you are going to start making money from the fucking day one. No, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. No, you are not going to make money from the day one. You have to practice this. You if you see, I want you to go back in a time for almost a year. Oh my god, I'm literally having a pain. I have not even talked this much. Hold on, I have to get energized. Yeah. So I want you to go back in the 1 year, alright, full 1 year, and do the practice. If you done that 1 year practice, practice means go back in time, use this trading view fucking premium free trial. Oh my god, I have to hold on. I have my free trial on. Let me check when to close that. Cancel pre 7 November. Oh. Or I will get charged. I don't want to get charged for the thing which I can get for free. For what? I don't have that. Like I have like why I should waste my money if I get that thing for free. So basically, I want you to go back in time and practice this multi time frame analysis for almost a year. And if you are not ready to put a work, brother, you're not ready to become a trader. I want you to practice because practice is going to make you a trader. All right, mark my words. I did it. I did it. I get good. I literally have almost 90 to 100% win rate, and you will be like amazed, like why in the world you have 90% win rate, and why in the world you are not rich? Because I started taking trades now. I was not taking trade using this strategy. I was like I was getting them. I was like I wanted to create my own strategy. I wanted to become a hero, and for past 6 years I failed doing this. Not 6 years now. Past 5 years I was doing the same thing and I failed doing this exact same thing. And then after I was like, I want to learn, man. I want to learn. Then I started learning, and then I figured out this thing. And now I want to do help you out, guys. So now basically this is what it is. This is what the multi time frame is. You just where the heck it's hold on. You just wait for the price to come to that area of interest. Let me recap, and we will move on to the next point. All right. So we'll zoom this. We'll zoom this. So basically, what multi-time frame analysis is, we want this price to come to this area of interest. The price is here. We want price to come to this area of interest. Once this price comes to this area of interest, we want we want we want 4 hours to shift. Now 4 hours is going to get bearish to come to that area of interest, and we want that 4 hours to go bullish. Once that 4 hours got bullish, now we will be waiting for the retracement on the 4 hours. Retracement is the what is meant by retracement? Do you know? No? Retracement is the pullback after it get bullish. Okay, after it get bullish, this thing right here is the pullback. All right, if market is got bullish, we will be waiting for market to come down little bit. Okay, and this coming down process is going to make the 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour time frame bearish and then once we got bullish in this time frame which we are looking for, that right there is the setup. Once the 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour time frame got bullish, that is how we are going to say that this retracement move is done. Now we are ready to go up, and that time we are going to take the trade, basically having the 4 hours engulfing candle, having the daily rejection candle, having the daily doji, blah 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 blah, and that is how we are going to take the trade. That is what the multi-time frame analysis is. Multi-time frame analysis is, if I just say tell you one line, if I see, if I see my hand right now like this, I can see some things. If I see right now the exact hand using the magnifying glass, I will literally see some kind of details. Okay, the exact same thing. I want this to be, see, like I want this to predict the trend of what I want daily. Also what I want my price to come on this area of interest, and 4 hours to get bullish. When 4 hours get bullish, we will be waiting for bearish 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour bearish to get bullish. That's pretty much it. That right there is the only thing which you are going to use for fucking trading. And my holy shit, I'm recording this for, oh my god, my back is spinning now. See, this is how I'm putting efforts, man. If I'm putting efforts, I want you, why I will be putting efforts, because I fucking want to become rich. So we have done the multi-time frame analysis. Okay, now the point is support and resistance. Now these things are going to become like, this is going to be for 5 minutes, this is going to be for 5 minutes, this is going to be 5 minutes. That's it. Hold on, let me just save this part so that we can move for the next part. I just wanted to reduce the risks. Alright boys, welcome back. Within 1 second only, I just closed this and came back. So basically, whoa, JK admin. This is not my WhatsApp, okay? What the fuck was that? That right there was my sister WhatsApp. I can play with the WhatsApp, huh? Should we play? No, of course not. Respect the space. Stop. Recording is on. Timer is on. Basically, yeah. Let's go for support and resistance. So support and resistance is the more simplest thing. The support and the resistance, we are going to find the support. Note it down. The support and resistance we are going to find it only and only weekly time frame, and only the daily time frame. That's it. That's fucking it. The support and resistance we are going to find only and only weekly and daily time frame. Now, and 4 hours, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute is just a time frame to take the trades. Alright, we are not going to consider 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours support and resistance. We're just going to consider weekly and daily support and resistance. So now we are going to go like, what is the support and what is the resistance. So basically this is how I can explain you. Alright, so we need, okay, I will explain over here. So we need, for considering the support and resistance thing, we need 3 touches. Okay, alright, so sorry, support and resistance, blah blah blah. The what we called here is the area of interest. That looks good. Area of interest. To be a valid area of interest, we need the area of interest to have the minimum of 3 touches. So now, right now, I just draw over here. So this is the higher high. Man, this higher high and higher low is, by listening this, I'm getting frustrated now because I speak it this much that this thing right there is now making me not liking it. So right now this is the higher high, this is the higher low. What it means? It is bullish market. So now the support, like there is nothing right here. The support and resistance is the only thing which is having 3 touches. So now it have 1 touch, it has 2 touch, it has 3 touch. So how I define it? Just go over this box and click on and adjust the distance, and this box can't be bigger than 60 pips. Okay, just use your finger, press on that CTRL button, control button, and just click over here. Oh shit, that right, the duplicate. I don't want duplicate. Ah, yeah. Rather than clicking the control button, use the shift button. I just don't measure it. Shift button, press and hold that shift button and use the mouse and click over here. Holy shit, phone. Hello, hello.
हॅलो तुला काय आणायचं का येताना?
नाही रे, नको आणू काही. त्याच्याने होऊन जाईल. बरं ठीक आहे, आण तुला काय असेल वाटत असेल ते आण.
अरे तुला काय खायचं ते सांग ना, मी काय आणणार?
म्हणजे मला तर माहित, मला समोसा खायचा, आणू शकते का? आता नाही अवेलेबल, नसेल अवेलेबल, म्हणून तुला सांगतो की ते जे जवळपास तुला मिळू शकतं इझिली ते तू आण, काही पण चालेल मला. हां, मला काही पण चालेल, तू तुझ्या हिशोबाने आण. ठीक आहे, लाईक न्यूडल्स, समोसा असं वगैरे काय. ओके. हो चालेल. हो, तू निघालीस का? बरं बरं, ये चालेल. ठेवू का? बाय बाय. You can look like I am so busy guy, but I don't get this much calls. Why I'm getting this much call? I just get calls of real estate. I just get calls of Mercedes. I just get calls of Range Rover. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to get into the millionaire peoples, and what millionaire people do. They buy this all these things. I just wanted to be surrounded with them. If I be surrounded with them, brother, I will become millionaire for sure. Right now, this thing is just click over here and click over here using the shift button, and see how much this is. 23.2. This thing right here is 23.2. Yeah, this is the valid area of interest. We just don't want this to become more than 20 60 pips. Like uh, this much is not valid. This is right here is 60 pips. Okay, so this is the area of interest. So we are waiting for this price to come here on weekly. Then we will go for a lower time frame. We will wait for 4 hour shift of structure. We'll wait for the 4 hour retracement, and then we'll push on. That's pretty much it. So the what is the area of interest? Area of interest is the touches, 3 touches. So now if we just go on this thing, right now the area of interest right now. So this is the bullish. Okay, this is the bullish. Come on, man. So I will. Let's delete this. Fuck. This is so getting messy like anything, and I hate my things to get messy. So right now this is the higher high. Alright, this is the higher, this is the higher low, and we are waiting for price to come to the weekly area of interest. Right now we are on weekly time frame. So we are waiting for a weekly area of interest. This is the area of interest. Like we have the first touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, okay, and right there 4, 5, 6, beautiful. So this is the area of interest on the weekly. So if we just go on the daily, so daily is bearish right now. So we can't just make the uh, like we can't just give the area of interest of weekly to the daily. So we need to make the new area of interest for the daily. So now we are lower low and lower high right now. Holy shit, my energy got so low. So we were like this. Okay, let's imagine we were like this. Alright, so we are waiting for like now. So this is the weekly area of interest, and this is the daily area of interest. This is daily high, right? This is the daily high low. We are broke, so now we got lower low, and this is the lower high. Now we're waiting for price to come. Okay, so now where the area of interest is going to be. So now we are just going to draw, click on the lower high and click on the lower low. Okay, and from lower low we are going to drag this box. Okay, so this is the area of interest. 1 touch, 2 touch, no touch. So we come up. This is only have 1 touch, 2 touch. Yeah, this is the valid area of interest. We can just close this up. Yeah, one. So one, what we got here, we can literally make this little bit big, and basically, yeah. So we got one touch, we got two touch, we got three touch, we got four touch, we got five touch. All right. So this looks very solid, very solid area of interest. So on daily, so I have other color for daily. Yes, you can just go for other color. So now we are back again. Click over here, click on this cut, this thing, and just go up, go up. This is the first area. This is sorry, this is first elbow. This is the second touch. We can just make this, and we can literally make this. So with this one touch, this is kinda two touch. This is kinda three touch. This is kinda four. This is four touch. So we got four touches right here. So what this is fucking simple, man. I'm telling you, this is the how we are marking the area of interest. So now just go on the 4 hours and wait for the price to come on that area of interest. 4 hours shift of structure. That's fucking it. So now what we want is for us to come to basically to this area of interest and reject or go down, or we want for us to come up here and basically get like comes down. So right now the 4 hours is lower low and 4 hours is lower high. Basically 4 hours is bearish. So now what are we going to do? We are waiting for price to come to this area of interest. So wait, let's go ahead. So price came, like price is on the way to the area of interest. I haven't came to the area of interest. Now it haven't came to the area of interest. Oh yeah, now it is at the area of interest. That right there is going to go. So that thing, once this comes to the area of interest, so now we are going to go on the 15-minute time frame. I mean 15 minute, 30 minute. We'll wait for the shift of structure. Basically that is what we want. Alright. So we can see that is the higher high and that is the higher low. So this is the this is basically the higher low and on the 15 minute. Okay, so this is how I'm literally saying this. Oh shit, how I missed it. This is the higher high. Okay, so right now this is the higher high, this is the higher low. What we want the price to get break about this. Okay, I want 15 minute to get bearish. So now we'll wait. Do we got bearish? Do we got bearish? No. No. Oh, we have created the higher high over here. And we can shift this higher low over here. Alright, basically we can do this as well. This is also the good elbow. Let's zoom this up. Alright. Let's go. So now this is the higher high. This is the higher low. I'm so store. Go up. We want the candlestick closure below this line. It haven't closure below this line. You just can see it. This line is over here. We want candlestick closure below this line, and voila. This haven't closed below this line. And it is going up. So right now 15 minute again, this is created a higher high, this is created the higher low, and basically this is going upside. So now this is pushed downside. It literally haven't closed below this line. So now it literally pump upside. We want this candlestick close below this line and get bearish, and that is where we are going to take the trade. So now this is the new higher high and this is the new higher low. Alright, I need to go to washroom. I drink a lot of water. Shit. So basically now we are waiting for the price to come close below this higher low, and guess what? The price have never ever closed below this higher low. That in 15 minute was bullish and price gone upside. So now we are waiting for price to come till here. Alright, price to come to the here. What we are waiting for, price to go bearish. 15 minute right there, 15 minute, 30 minute or 1 hour to get bearish. Do we got bearish? No. And people will literally take the trade just because of price have come to the area of interest and they get lost. We'll literally avoid the loss by waiting for that particular shift of structure. So now this area of interest have got invalid. So delete this area of interest. So now we are waiting for the price to come up till here. So let's wait. Now we'll see what 4 hours is doing. So 4 hours, 4 hours. If 4 hours is coming to this area of interest, alright, 4 hours is going to come to this area of interest. That means 4 hours is this lower high here. This is the lower high of the 4 hours, and this is the lower low of the 4 hours. If this price comes to this area of interest, that thing right there is going to make this bullish. Alright, alright. Basically, we literally can get the shift of structure right here. If this thing happens, we literally get the shift of structure. We haven't got I thought like this is not a scripted, okay. I thought there was this shift of structure on the 15 minute, but it haven't. Like see this, the power of shift of structure. We came over here, and this is the higher high, and this is the higher low, okay, basically. Alright, so let's zoom this out, let's more zoom this. We haven't body candlestick closure up above. That means this is not the new higher high, this is not the new higher low. So that's why this is the higher high, this is the higher low, and we are waiting for price to close below that. It haven't closed below, and if it is closed, it closed. That's it. This becomes sideways, and oh yeah, right there we have closed below this area of interest. But what is the time? It is 6:30. Beautiful. That was a trade. We can easily take the trade. This was a trade. We can take the trade and we can get lost. Now, as a professional trader, I can avoid these losses. I can teach this because that is what the experience counts. So now this is a beautiful. I'm talking about beautiful shift of structure on the 4 hours, right? But guess what? This is not like, as a professional trader, I know more than you, and I'm not going to teach every single thing right now. I am just going to teach you how you can make money from the market doing this. But I'm not going to teach you how you can avoid this type of losses. Basically, I made mistake. I literally made mistake. I did live trading and I uploaded on the vlogs, and I have literally explained why I'm not going to take the trade, or I literally explained why I'm not interested to take the trade. I did mistake. I don't. I can't even delete that because that is what my history of my vlog. It is what it is. So if we are taking the trade right now over here, we are going to have the stop loss this, and we are going to add 20 within that. So 28 plus 20 is 38 plus 10 is equals to 48. 28 plus 20 is equals to 48. So we are going to get stop out for sure. I know this because I know this. So this is the take profit. Alright. Let me tell you one thing. Okay. Let me tell you one thing. Let's delete this. Where were we? This was the. I will give you a hint. Okay. Whenever we are taking the trade. Alright. So if we just go and just make this bigger. Make this bigger so that we can take the trade on the daily. So now if we just see on the daily basis, where are we over here? My stop loss is here, the trade was here, and my take profit was here, and this is the risk reward ratio. We need 2.00. The over here we can see 1.15. That is not the valid trade. Okay, we need at least minimum. I need the number 2 number here. The number where number is 1, I want that there, the second number 2 number. That is what risk reward ratio is going to be 2. If you're risking some 1%, we want to make 2%. That is how we are going to make money long term using the maths, even though you lose 50% of time. I mean, this is impossible to lose, you know. I mean, you can lose the trade, but you can't lose the money. It is impossible. If you're doing the exact same thing, math is going to be with you. But if you don't mess up, all right. So this is not the trade. This is not the 1:2 risk reward ratio. All right. we need to see the number like this. The number should be greater than 1. All right. Yeah, this is what right there is the exact number we are looking for. So basically, this is not the valid trade. I literally given the experience what I have to avoid this loss. This is going to be loss for sure. Like this. Let's see this. And go loss, brother. Come on, man. You have to loss. This is not fucking scripted, man. Oh yeah, here we go loss. That is how we wicked out. And once we wicked out, the trade goes in profit. So now we got wicked out. Let's imagine. Let's not take this trade because so first thing first we don't have the take profit 1:2. All right. So this trade is invalid. So we'll wait for the next setup. So we came here. The 4 hours got bullish. 4 hours closed below this lower high. 4 hours got bullish. 4 hours got the new higher high and the new higher low. So now what we're waiting for? We waiting for 4 hours to go bullish. So now we wait for 4 hours to close below the higher low. It haven't closed below the higher low. So we have created a new higher high. So we are waiting for new higher low over here. I want 4 hours to break this new higher low, brother. Let's see. Oh, right there. We have break the new higher low right there. So now what we're waiting for? Right now we have wait for like we have broken the new higher low. So now we have created lower low and basically we have created the new lower high. So now 4 hours got bearish, so we are waiting for the retracement to go to the downside. So now the retracement is going to make 15 minute, 30 minute bullish and then get bearish. Either or 15 minute right now. So this is the lower low, this is the lower high. Alright, so let's delete these lines. So what are we waiting for? 15 minute to go bullish or the structure to go bullish and bearish. So right now this is creating the retracement. Okay, cool. So right now this is creating the higher high and this is creating the new higher low. Alright, so you will be like, brother, but we are bearish. But see, we are bearish in a overall perspective. But where are we in this middle of this? We are bullish in middle of these two lines. So this is creating, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, and now we are waiting for. We did this example, man. We're waiting for price to close below this line and which haven't closed below this line, below that line, and we just did this, we just did that. You'll be like, yeah, we need to close below this line, we haven't closed below that line, and basically this is the, oh shit, I need to go to washroom. Hold on, man. I will finish this and I will go to now we have created new higher high in the structure and this is the new higher low. Okay, we're waiting for this to close below. Alright, we'll wait. So now this is created new higher high, this is the new higher low. Again, this is created new higher high, this is created the new higher low. Basically what we want, the market should bearish, shift to the bearish, create the new lower low. Right now it's creating new higher highs. Right, and this is the new higher high, this is the new higher low basically. And oh, do we close below? Oh, close below. Yeah guys, we close below. Yeah, we close below this line. Alright, so this is where we are going to take the actual trade. Now this is going to be trade. This is going to be trade. Oh fuck, I wanted to go to work. I'm struggling, man, struggling. I wanted to finish this one. So now, alright, let's come up here. I don't know. Alright, so this is the this got shift of structure. Okay, on 15-minute time frame. Now what, just take the trade, man, that's it. Phone bell sign. Hello, हाँ बोल ना. बरं आलो. Okay. My sister is calling me out. I mean, just because of one help she need to park the car. Basically, we need to stop here. I will be back. I'm just closing this. So yeah, we are back again with my broken voice. So I was saying that we are going to take the trade right here. Basically, this is the 5.1. Oh, are we recording? Yes, we are recording. 5.1 plus 20, how much it is? 5.1, that means 5 plus 20 is 25. No, no, wait. 10 plus 10, if we just add 10 over here, that will be go for 15. And if we add more 10 on 15, it's 25. Here we go. 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah. Basically, this is what it is. Alright, so yeah, let's go down and let's see if this trade is going to work or not. What I will do, I will just play it faster. 7x. And basically, oh, this works. That right there is the fucking strategy. That's it. That's it, guys. I mean, that's it. I mean, we just wait for price to come up here, all right, and this becomes the this becomes from the shit. So this becomes the higher high, and then this becomes the uh, higher low, and we got shift of structure. Beautiful. So this becomes the lower low, and this becomes the lower high. And basically, what we did is just took the trade, and that's it. That's far. That's it. That is what the multi-time frame analysis is. That is what the shift of structure of the market, and that is what is going to change your perspective. And that is this thing is everything. That is right there is the market structure. Every single thing is so clear, so perfection to the T, and daily. If you just see the take profit on a daily, basically see this. The number is greater. Hold on. Let me just zoom in. Let me just make this clear. I need my voice is getting broken, man. So basically, if we just see the take profit is going to be this take profit, and the number is greater than 1, which is cool. That means we are eligible to take this trade. That thing, oh, are we recording, man? Yeah, we are recording. That thing right there is the game changer. Are we going to hit our take profit? Maybe, maybe not. Now this is going to come for psychology. Now this is going to come for the psychology part. So now I know this is going to go up because I have saw the projection when I was doing the first thing on a daily. So now I think so daily is going to go up and have the wicked out. So now this is going to go up, right? Now you have to ask a question for yourself. Like, are you okay? This trade is going to go in a profit and then come back and take to the stop loss without taking the take profit. Basically, that hurts, but don't let that hurt. You have to train yourself. Don't let that thing right there hurt you. Now I'll just play it. Now you see, brother, how it works. All right, this thing is going up. This is going down. This is going down. This is going down. This is going to go. I think so. I saw the daily time frame. It is going like that. Oh shit. Oh shit. That right there. I have to go out take profit. But what the fuck was that? What was that? I see. Ah, yes, this is what I was talking about. This blue candle I was talking about. This thing. I thought this is going to wick out our trade, but no, this haven't. So this is how this is the trade how we catch. This is how we combine every single thing: the multi-time frame analysis, the area of interest, right? Then the shift of structure, bullish to bearish, bearish to bullish. We wait for the 4 hours get bearish, and then we wait for retracement. Here we wait for the shift of structure on the 15 minute, 20, 30 minute, 1 hour, blah blah blah. And guess what? We took it, and we get 1:3. And guess what? 1:3. That means if you're risking 1%, you get 3%. It is so easy. That means you are like this thing right there is going. This is it, man. Yeah, I just want to say this is it. This is it. This is what we have learned, the multi-time frame analysis. Let's go on our checklist. Checklist, brother, checklist. Let's go here. Where it is, the checklist, where it is. Yeah, here we go. So now we have also learned the support and resistance. Alright, support and resistance is equals to area of interest. Alright, is equals to, which is equivalence to the area of interest. We call it AOI, area of interest. It's a short form. Now entries, I have teach you entry, the take profit, now take profit. So now take profit is going to be the next structure. So now we have took the trade on a daily, so that we are going to put the take profit on the next available structure. So the take profit is going to be this. So we are taking, oh, I wanted to zoom this, man. This is, oh, how the mouse, I just literally forgot that there is mouse. The question is this connected? Yeah, now it is connected. I will sit like, yeah. So now the question is where the take profit is going to be. The take profit, if we're taking the trade right here, the take profit has to have the next structure. So the next structure is this. Structure means the next lower lie, lower low, whatever it is. Alright, so this is the lower high and this is the lower low. If we're taking this trade right here, we have to target the lower low, the current lower low, not previous, the current lower low. Alright, that right there is the take profit. This is going to be our take profit. And voila, we win. And that is how I'm predicting the trades from past 3 to 5 months. Literally every single thing on YouTube. I literally have created a playlist, man. I'm literally giving my trades for free, live. Seriously, just tell me, man. So let's go on our checklist again. So we have done entries as well. I've told you how to take the entry. We'll wait for the price to come to the area of interest. We'll wait for the 4-hour shift of structure. We'll wait for the 4-hour retracement. We'll wait for 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour to get bearish or bullish. Certainly what we want, if we're taking the buy trade, we want bearish and then bullish. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, get bearish and bullish. That's what we want. That is where we are going to take the entry. The take profit is going to be the take profit is going to be the next structure. Now we come for the SL. So now the SL, the stop loss, is going to be the most crucial point. So we have to place the stop loss where if the stop loss hit, we are completely wrong. Alright, so we took the trade right here, okay, and this is the last structure point. We have to keep the stop loss to the last structure point or the highest top of the structure point. So now if we see right here, this is the highest top of the structure point. That makes sense, but let's go, like the current structure point, that will be the valid, because this is just a wicked out on a higher time frame. Okay, this is just like this, and keeping the stop loss right here is the valid, not an issue. But do you think really like really if this has to close above, that means it has to get bullish right here. So rather than taking the trade, like rather than keeping the stop loss over there, we'll keep the stop loss right here. Alright, that's it. So keeping the stop loss right here, plus so we are going to add the 10 to 20 pips on it. 10 to 20 pips on it. So here we go for 5.2. This is the pip 5.2. We just have to add more on it. So what it is, 5.2, 5, 10, 20, that's a 25. 25 too. That's it. That's it, bro. That's right there is that. So that we did it. Hold on. Why this is spinning now? So that is how we finish this take profit and SL. Done. That's it. Now we just wait for leave this risk management and psychology. We'll come on it. I will do the lunch right now. Signing off. I will be back. Hey there, I'm back. after lunch. So let's continue where we left off. So yeah, we have done every single thing. Basics of market structure, understanding market structure, multi-time frame analysis, support and resistance, and its area of interest. Fifth is entries, exit, with the entry, take profit, stop loss, and sixth is risk management and psychology. Now, here we're going to talk the risk management. As you're a beginner, you should be risking 0.10%. Alright? If you're doing this, then you are going to be profitable. If you're not going to be profitable. So you just have to risk. Okay, I'm giving this thing because you are beginner, or you are new in this strategy. You have to get good in this. You need some guidance. You need to do mistakes. So why to do mistake? If you're doing mistake, do the mistake in a low cost. So 0.1% of your capital you're going to risking. Okay, and trades you are going to take per week. All right, so trades per week is equals to almost maximum to maximum 4 trades per week. That is only it. That right there is the only thing. Okay, trades per week, 4 trades, and basically you are going to minimum of RR is risk reward ratio. I will not type that. Risk reward ratio 1 is to 2. You should have minimum of risk to reward ratio minimum of 1 is to 2. If you don't have 1 is to 2 minimum risk reward ratio, you should avoid that trade. This is you like if you wanted to get profitable, you have to listen to me. If you don't listen to me, you're not going to be profitable. Like it's like how Andrew Tate says, the person like the piano teacher says no, you have to put your hand like this, and you will be saying like no, I have to put my hand like this. What the fuck? You can't play the piano if you don't listen to a piano teacher. The same way, you can't get profit if you don't listen to me. I'm a profitable trader. You have to listen to me. You have to listen to profitable trader to become a profitable trader. If you don't, you don't. Basically, so that's pretty simple. The minimum risk reward ratio is equals to 1 is to 2, and that right there is the risk management. Alright, so basically, how risk management is going to work, basically, this 1 is to 2 is going to make you profit a lot, like you will be rich for sure. Alright, so you are like, if you like, for example basis, all right, so like one is to like what the risk reward ratio, like risk management is going to be, the win rate of your is equals to going to be 50%. You're going to win 50% of time. That means if you take 10 trades, the 5 trades are going to lose and the 5 trades are going to win. If you win 5 trades, that means you making money, and if you lose 5 trades, that means you losing money. That was the worst point I have come up with, man. So with the 1 is to 2 risk to reward ratio, let's just say, simple for calculations, will not go for 0.1. Simple for calculation, we are taking the risk per trade is equals to 1% risk per trade. Okay, we are just taking 1% for example basis for doing the calculation in a simplest way. We can literally take 0.1%, but I don't want to do. I wanted to make the 1% because to make the calculation simple. All right, so using the 1% risk, you are losing the 5 trades. The total you take 10 trades, you are losing 5 trades. That means you lose 5%, risking 1% per trade. That means you are down minus 5%. But the 5 trades you are going to make money on it, that is going to be 1 is to 2. That means if you risk 1%, you are going to make 2% on it. That means each single trade you are making 2%. So 2 5s are 10. That means this winning trades are making you 10% profit total. So I will just type over here. I will just say this are a trade which is going to make you 10% profit right here, and this are the trade which is losing total 5%. So we're making 10%, we're losing 5%. That means we are net profit of 5%. That is right there. Even you lose for 50%, half of your trade, even you lose half of your trades, you will still be profitable. I mean, this thing is the this thing like this thing is few. I mean, this thing. I mean, how I can say, this thing is a this thing is like I just can't come up with it. This thing is a blessing, you know. This thing is blessing. Even if you losing 50% of time, you are going to become a huge profitable. You can't even imagine, brother. This is how the risk management is. Psychology. Coming with psychology, I will just tell you in one line, brother. First thing first, you need to have the practice. The second thing, you need to have the guidance. All right, you need a guidance. Like, if you have questions, you want someone to answer. Find some trader friend or come up. I will guide you for sure. I will do honest to one. I will clear you. I will make you profitable more, right? Right now you're going to use this and you are going to become profitable for sure. 100% take in my return. All right, but it is what it is. Psychology thing is coming up with the psychology. Do not risk 1%. I have take the example of 1%, but just for example, I'm recommending you to risk 0.1% per trade. All right, for first month. Okay, understand this. You have to risk only 0.1% per trade for the first month. Hold on, my video is getting edited. So yeah, psychology. In psychology, you have to accept you are going to, like, if you like, okay, let's understand you just 0.1% on that particular trade and you lost that. Are you okay to lose that? No. If the answer is no, that means you fucked up with your psychology. You need to work on your psychology. So psychology is, if you're risking that 0.1%, that means there is a risk involved in that particular trade. That means you have to accept the risks. You have to accept the risk. Many people do this mistake. They just take the trade and they just don't accept the mistake. They take the trade with the based on 2 to 3% risk, and they don't accept that. If they see that, if they just imagine that if this particular trade that took got in the loss, they just can't imagine. And guess what? That is the only trade that goes in loss and they fucked up. So that's the reason first thing first, you have to accept the risks of this. All right, the risk you are taking, you have to accept, because if you're taking the risk, that means you can lose that. I'm saying that half of the trades you are going to lose. Are you accepting that? If no, then you can't take the trade. If yes, then you will become profitable for sure. That right there is a psychology. And also, I haven't touched on this point. You are just going to take the trade and you're just going to take profit or take the stop loss. That is only it. Either take profit, either stop loss. No partial take profit, nothing. This trader knows a lot. Partial take profit, taking the profit in middle. No. That right there is not a good thing. You are messing with your win rate. You're messing with your mathematics. Okay, should not do that. So basically, this is what it is. The end of this course, and basically, where it is. Where is our checklist? So we have completed every single point, and that right there is going to make you profit. So let me just make this. How to take it up? Do this. All right. This is how we have covered in this. how first thing zero thing we have covered how to get rich and wealthy using this method. Second thing for sure I have to put for sure. First thing basic market structure. The second thing understanding market structure. Third thing multi time frame analysis. Fourth thing is support and resistance is equals to area of interest. Fifth is the entry, take profit and stop loss. And sixth is the risk management and the psychology. That right there is the formula of you going to become financial free. Now you know you know this thing. This thing is going to make you financial free. Now I bet I bet only and only 20% of people are going to become financial free. Why? Because it's like it, and that is what making me easy for uploading this for free. It's like this. Everyone knows that going to gym is going to make them fit, is going to increase their life on the in this beautiful planet Earth. Still, why only and only 1 to 5% of people on the whole world goes to gym? Why? Why 95% of people don't go to gym? I mean, like, why? I mean, seriously, if you know that you literally go to gym and you will look good, you will have the abs, you will look good, you will have the power. No one can stop you. Everyone will fear of you, and you will have the safety, and like, and plus, like, you will be having a discipline. Still, 95% people don't do, and that right there is the only thing is going to. That is how I come up with the percentage. Only 20% of people are going to. काय
झालंय का
नाही 2च मिनिट राहिले.
मग
हा त्यांना म्हणा बंद करते आणि झोप लवकर
हो
जे
झोपतो ना.
कामाचं आहे ते कर
हो वेगळा वास येतो ना.
सांगितलेले ते बंद कर म्हणून
हो चालेल ना.
परत तू ते करू नको नाही तर मग मी तिथे येते
हो
जगू दे मला थोडे दिवस नीट
हो
ए तुम्ही तुमच्या तुमच्या फोनवर भांडरे भाऊ
ओके ओके
मला माझ्या नवऱ्याला फोन लावायचा आहे.
बरं चला ठेवा
चालेल.
हा
बाय
ते फॅन बंद करून टाक.
का बरं
2च मिनिट राहिले त्याच्यात आवाज येतो फॅनचा. वास येतो ना वेगळा. मला पण वास मला ते येते अवेनच्या शर्टचा वास आला.
नाही रे बाबा हे मागणे येतो मागणे
मी तर बसलो ना खूप वेळ तर मला तो वासच न्यूट्रलाइज झाला तर मला वासच येत नाही.
आवर पटकन आवर झोप
हा 1च मिनिटच राहिलाय. So this is right there. Now you heard basically this is how it is, the struggling life of a trader. But yeah, I know that this is going to become. I'm going to become rich for sure. For sure. This is the exact step I have told you. That exact step I'm using, and I'm lost like zero. I'm at a step 0.5, right? Almost near about that. I've told you go on first section and go watch that. Basically this is it. This is going to make you rich. And again I'm doing his I'm here for business. All right, I'm sharing this for business. If you need guidance from me, basic oh yeah you let me pitch myself. I'm very poor in marketing. If you need guidance from me, I'm doing this for $49 per month. I'm going to guide you. I'm going to look into your trades. I am going to also give my high probable, best probable trade ideas every single week by coming live with you and with you all and going to share my trades. And basically, I'm having the 80 to 90 to 100% win rate. I have mastered this strategy. Even the owner of strategy is Alex Gonzalez. Okay, he have taught me this strategy, and guess what? From right now, certain moment from past 2 weeks, previous week, and the previous week of that, he have lose. And on this 2 weeks on the same exact week where when he lose, on the same exact week I have make money. And guess what? I'm getting so good in prediction. I'm literally feel like I'm like I'm saying myself as a god of market. If I'm saying this thing has to happen, that thing has to happen. And that right there, I'm literally sharing over here on YouTube. I click on this and it is not working. I have to click over here. This mouse is sucks. YouTube, and if I just go over here, I will. Okay, I'm connecting this mouse. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, work. Alright, so just go and search Paradox Trader. Alright, here we go. And basically, if you just go on this beautiful channel, you can go on the playlist section. Alright, here we go for Forex market prediction. And literally,
Hey there.
okay.
Hey there.
Okay. So literally go on this prediction, Forex market prediction. So you can literally see from past 5 months, I'm predicting the market to the T every single week, and this is I'm doing it for free until I pass that six-figure record. And once I pass that six-figure record, which is in the next week, very high chances that I'm going to pass in the next week, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to stop giving my free trades. I'm going to stop my high probability trades. So now this week, previous week, I have 100% win rate. Literally go and check it. I have literally reviewed the previous week performance in this video, and on the previous week to previous week, I have again 100% win rate. Almost 4 trades goes in profit. 3 trades goes in profit. That is how I have passed my funded account, phase 1 of the funded account, and I'm literally doing it for life and for free. Not gonna lie, not for free. And basically, see the views are so low, 11, 2, 3. Like people are not making money on it because they are not seeing it. The awareness is so low. And guess what? I am not even promoting this because I just want to record my first thing I've started out. I wanted to record myself. You know, I want to record myself while doing the analysis. But now I'm literally like I literally created 65 videos of 120 views. That's so low. But yeah, this is it, brother. This is it. And my main motto is my main motto shift from recording to helping others. I wanted to help a lot of students, man. I want to, not for money, because my main priority is not for selling courses. Selling courses is not my main priority. My main priority is making money in the trading. My main priority is this. And if I deflect from my main priority, brother, that sucks then. And then I just don't want to become the course seller guy. Don't want. I wanted to become a trader, a real trader. So this is it, guys. Just go and check every single thing. You can literally search me on Google as well. If you just search it, who is Udesh Chintamani, and you can see this. Udesh Chintamani is founder and CEO of Integers Beyond a Decimal Point. Now I have updated over here. Okay, I have updated here, which is not getting updated here. Basically, it was so good. I just messed up with that. Rocket Race have also research on me. Like every single thing is legit, man. You just do it or you don't. Alright. So yeah, this is it. This is the end of the lecture, which is this. And I can guarantee, if you're watching this till end, brother, you're going to get rich for sure. Now the matter is when. I can shorter your time period of when from a lot of months, from 5-6 months to only 1 month. I can do that. Even not 5 to 6 months. Even you will be requiring almost to get mastery in this trading strategy. Almost let's say 1 to 1.5 year average time. The minimum. It can go more than that. But I will literally can reduce your 1.5 years to almost 1 month by just guidance. Guidance, brother, guidance need every single one. But you don't need guidance. I have told you every single thing. Do this. follow this thing, you'll make money for sure. I can guarantee this. Still people need guidance. I mean, you don't need guidance, okay? Still, I mean, even if I'm saying you don't need guidance, still people need guidance. Still. And that right there is where I come into picture. And that this is going giving free stuff is actually funneling myself on my business. This is it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. A wonderful day ahead. Yeah, that's my beard. That my head. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. If you're at night, basically I'm in night. Have a wonderful night ahead. Signing off. Enjoy. Peace.